What it do, gang? Hello world. How we feeling today? Good to see you guys. Good to see you. Let me just I just gotta finish one thing over here. Yeah, one thing over here. Give you time to settle in. Welcome. Who do we got here today? Dennis Hood's in the house. What up, Dennis Hood? What up, Classic Trader? Louis G is in the building. Yo, TTW, got a trade is in the house. Got a trade. Wolfie's here. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Dominic? Yes, sir. Hey, we were trying to get something in London there, but nada. What up, LeGrand? What's good, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Give me one sec. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join the free Discord that we have here. Very, very poppin'. I think we got over 6,000 people in the Discord here. So let me just send the Zoom link out, and we are gonna fire away here today. All right, perfect. All right, hey, W's in the chat. If you're feeling good today, I'm ready for a good day, man. I think it's going to be a big day. We've been very disciplined. We've been very patient. We're going to get rewarded big time here towards the tail end of this week. I really do believe it. I'm excited about it. If you're excited, put some W's in the chat. Let's get this party popping here today. Let me just lower the music. There we go. There we go. All right, cool. That should be good. Should be good on music. Perfect. All right, let's get it going. Zoom, you guys should be good to go. Yep, let me move the chat, and we are off to the races here. All right, welcome in, ladies and gentlemen. It is another day here for the New York session. It is Thursday, December 7th, man. Cruising along. Ending the year here, man. Ending the year. What a year it's been. It's we've got probably about 2 weeks left, 2 trading weeks left, and then that's it, man. We wrap it up. So, you know, it's a good time to really look back and see how far you've actually come, right, since the beginning of the year. Some of you guys weren't even trading in the beginning of the year, and now you know exactly what it is that you're looking for. Zoom link didn't go. Hold on, I got a trade. All right, now you guys are good. Yeah, so look, you guys should definitely do some game planning, right? Look back on the year, see how far you've come. You know, see where you were at in the beginning of the year, what your goals were. Go check it out. You know, how many goals did you check off this year? How many goals did you actually obtain? You know, when did you run out of gas? Did you run out of gas, right? I know in the beginning, setting goals is tough to adjust, right? And you will begin to, you know, start to make progress as you go, and it's a cool thing. But you know, you start to run out of gas, right? Same thing on Sunday. You map out a game plan for the week, and you go all the way to Thursday, and then Friday kind of messes it up, and then you finally make it through these weeks. And you know, that's progression, man. That's life. That's what this thing is all about. You're never going to be perfect, and you're definitely never going to be perfect right out the gate, right? Things take time, so we're going to continue to progress here. And yeah, I'm gonna be jumping on the phone with my mentor here today, and gonna be recapping my year and everything in it. And I highly recommend you guys do the same thing. So let's get the day started here. Let's pray. Yeah, let's pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. We thank you for another opportunity to come here and you know, just learn and grow and become, Lord. And we thank you for speaking to us through this live stream. We thank you for making us better. We thank you that we could look back on a year ago and think, man, wow, how far we've come. And you know, sometimes there's hard times, Lord, and we know that those trials are to test the quality of us, Lord. So we thank you for building our quality. We thank you for building us and making us strong in your strength, Lord. And we just give you all the glory for it. In Jesus' name, amen. All right. Done praying? Yes, sir. We're done praying now. Is the music still loud? I feel like it's still a little loud here. Let me lower it a little bit. All right, cool. Let's get it popping here, ladies and gents. So let's take a look at what we got going on. Again, it is Thursday. It is December 7th, or the 7th of December for the rest of the world. And we're going to take a look at what we got going on here in the news. As you guys know, every single Thursday come around, unemployment claims, right? So we do have unemployment claims in the house today. Yes, let me start recording. We do have unemployment claims coming in here today, and everything else is pretty just, you know, some yellow folders, 2 or 3 yellow folders here for the remainder of the day. 8:30 is going to be the big one, and once we get past that, we should have some really nice direction. So we're just going to keep an eye out for 8:30 here today, and then everything else should be fair game, right? Should be a good time. So that's it, man. And then tomorrow we have NFP. So we've got NFP tomorrow. Let's keep that in mind here today. And let me just drop this down. Okay, we're good. And good morning, Joseph. And you know, that's it for the rest of the week here. So let's go ahead and open up the charts. Let's take a look at what it is we've got going on here on gold today. It's going to be a good one, man. I think we've got a lot of range. I think we've got some opportunities here for the weekly close. We're going to talk about the monthly as well. So let's go ahead and break it down. You guys ready for a breakdown? Ready to go? You guys got your charts marked up already? Cool. All right, let's do it. So taking a look here at the monthly time frame, right? We know, obviously, we go over this a lot, but for anyone new here, we know that gold has been in this all-time high rejection zone, right? And, you know, we came up here and we rejected 3 times. As you guys can see, we've been telling this story for months on end now, right? So we've rejected 1, 2, and 3 times at this point, and every time we did reject, we created a resistance and price was able to move down. Same thing here, got the rejections, created a resistance, and price moved down from there. Again, recently we created that resistance, and you know, this time price actually struggled a bit. You notice how this was all pretty smooth. We actually struggled a bit here. We created support and created resistance, and then broke through and closed a no bottom wick, and finally retested this area down here, right? And then ended up moving up. So now we're in a different predicament, they would say, right? Where you've actually had a candle now push all the way up, right? Engulf 1, 2, 3, 4 months worth of work in one candle, which is this candle right here, right? And then what did this candle do? It actually closed above the ranges, right? So there was a resistance right here, and this next candle right here officially closed above. So now this was the first time that we ever had a candle closing in these all-time high rejection zones that we just talked about, right? Where it actually came back up and closed above, right? Big deal here. So now what we're seeing is a rejection to that top side. So if we create a resistance now on the monthly time frame, looking something like this, right? Big rejection. Well, where could we expect price to go? What happened every time we've done this? Right? Resistance, 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 right? Now, if price does create a resistance, what's the chance it's going to come down to retest that support? Right? Very high chance. So this is something that we can see over the next couple months. And what I want you guys to understand too is that this also lines up with the forecast on the actual yearly chart, right? Because if the yearly candle is just smoke the highs here, right? Let's go back and look at the yearly. Smoke these highs, right? Juicer of a year. Now, it needs to pull back a bit, right? And potentially close, just making sure it's closing above that resistance for the next candle to move up. Now, if the next candle is going to move up, what do we need to see? Well, a bottom wick, right? So if we need to see a bottom wick on the new yearly candle for price to move up and fill this wick, then what does that look like on the monthly chart? Right here. Pull back, bottom wick, and then the beginning of the bullish movement again, right? Support formed, and this wick right here now represents the bottom wick for the yearly chart for price to now move back up and make this move, right? So that makes a lot of sense according to the yearly, just as much as the monthly. So we will see if the monthly does want to close, if it actually wants to close bearish after this rejection. But if it does, that's pretty much what we can expect. That lines up with the higher time frame, and you know, we can anticipate that happening. So let's either way, that's future stuff. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly time frame. It's very good to understand what is actually happening though on these higher time frames, so you don't get caught up on lower time frames. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly here as well. So weekly candle is obviously has a massive rejection, you know, just like the monthly candle here. So that was this week where that big push happened. We do have a resistance over here to the left, right? So if the weekly does close below that resistance, well, it's most likely going to end up continuing down next week. So big closure here in 2 days, right? So that's going to happen in 2 days. But as of right now, we do see this massive exhaustion wick. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like on the daily time frame. So daily time frame, yeah, let's get down to brass knuckles here, right? So daily time frame rejected as well. This was Monday's candle. We came down, we closed, and we closed below support here, right? So we closed below this support level, and what's happening now is you've had a top wick and candles move down, right? Now yesterday, what did we say here, man? We said that price would most likely come up, but it may not make the move today, right? And it may create some sort of celery play as long as it was closing below this support here. Notice how we're trying to break it again, but we can't. And now we're trying to do it again. And notice how this candle here still has yet to break the high here, right? So when we were looking or when I was looking for buys in London, you know, there was a move and it was somewhere up in this range, and I didn't take it, right? Because until we break this high, we don't really want to take these buys, especially with this candle having no bottom wick, right? So this kind of just like screams, I'm gonna re-break my own low, break this low, and head down to fill the wick, right? I don't know, just an idea, right? As long as we're remaining below this area here, that tells me that we can still move down here today. So do we have a daily celery play on our hands? That's the question. So we're going to be able to find this out. Now look, I'm open for buys if we do break the previous daily high, right? Because if we do break that high, then there's most likely the candle is going to close back within the range, right, by the end of today. It's simple price action, right? Oops. So if the candle closes back within the range here, right, we'll most likely be bullish tomorrow here to move back up. So if we break this high, that's when I want to take my buys here today. I know we are bullish on the day, right? So we are going to have a bullish bias, but the case of the celery play is also extremely strong here today as well, because number one, we're still below support, right? And we have zero bottom wick on this candle. And if this was a 30-minute time frame right here, I would say, chat, let's lock it in here. I'm going to have sell stops on the break of the lows right here. So daily time frame is no different. It's just going to take a little bit longer, right? It may take more time to play out, but it's just an idea, right? So we're going to be open for sells here just as much as we're going to be open for buys as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what these wicks represent. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the flip of this candle looks like on these lower time frames. So 4-hour chart. So look, so 4-hour candles are coming up to resistance here. We closed bullish. We did tap into that once before, rejected and closed bearish. Right now we're coming back up. We closed below though, right? We clearly closed below this level of resistance / support. So look, above there, super clean traffic, gang. Like beautiful ranges. Totally down to take buys above there, 100%. Now in terms of sells, where can we look? Well, if this candle closes bearish, right, and we close, let's say, below these levels here, well, then there's a high chance we'll move down, right? So let's figure out what that looks like, right? Let's see what this looks like on the 1 hour. So 1 hour candles are looking pretty good. You have a resistance here. You're trying to make a support, right? We have a support down here that we're coming down to, and this is kind of the range that you're currently in. So what is this? About a 50 pip range here. What time did this happen? 6 a.m. Typical. 6 a.m. gang. Keep an eye on 6 a.m. We've had a lot of volume come in during these times. So let's go ahead and find our ranges here. So boom. So you got a support here. What's that look like on the daily? Okay, you got a support right here on the 30-minute time frame. You also have resistance. Above this resistance is pretty clean traffic to the left-hand side. You've got like a 37 pip range up here, and then you have plenty of clean range up here. Plenty, right? So you can come all the way up here today towards like 2051. Very, very clean traffic. If you don't get buys in this range, whatever, right? It's whatever. So we can always take buys above there. In terms of what we're going to look at for sells here, I think what we'll do is look for range 2 sells below 31 here. Yeah, 31. If we do get a closure below 29, I think it's safe to begin taking sells as well. But right now, I'm just going to keep it here for range 2 sells below 31. Range 2 sells below 31, and then clean buys above 34 here today on this bullish day. I think the case is very strong for price to go down here. But we also do want to follow price action and read what's in front of us here today. So that's pretty much what's in front of us here, right? We've got ranges. We've just got to now wait for certain things to play out here. We don't want to get faked out or any of that either. So that's what we're gonna wait for here. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the day here on gold. Pretty simple. We're in a range right now. We'll break out of it pretty soon, and then we will scout down our opportunities. Cool. Sound Gucci? Hey, yo, Yanosh is in the house. What up, Yanosh? PM Magnifico. Dopa. Hey, TK. TK. What up, TK? What's good? Green's in the house today. What up, Green? Well, Green's in the house every day. Louis G. Xander's in the building. Sergio TTE Bank Santos. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to look at here for gold. Just hang tight here. Let's see. Yeah, 4 hour is pretty bullish here, so that's why we'll stick with the range 2 sells. I am interested in sells, but I think we're going to wait there for range 2. And yeah, everything looks pretty good. We never broke that daily high. That's one thing we haven't done, right? We haven't broke the daily high. We came right up to it. As you can see right here, right? This candle poked its head, tried to get up there and break that high, but never happened. Next candle came up, so I was I thinking, yeah, so I had I've been anticipating this move down, right? So I had sell stops right here, literally like my MT5 flash green. Had sell stops right there during London session. This was London open here. So we had a resistance form. We had a resistance formed here, right? Where price did not break above it. Price is also pretty choppy on the way up, so this buy didn't really interest me at all. But had sell stops sitting right here. Right here. And we actually did break that low. And it looked like we did a 30-minute pack runner there to move up. But yeah, I was anticipating the move down from there, but we never got activated. Price drove up and yeah, pretty much blasted through all this resistance to the left there, and decided to come up and make a steeper top wick to try and retest that or actually break that daily high, but never happened. So yeah, I was gonna look at this 30-minute celery play. The 1 hour also closed. Yeah, it closed pretty weak doji. But the 15-minute was all pretty good there. So yeah, never got activated. London Open actually pushed us up, and then we've been ranging ever since here. So we will break out of that range pretty shortly, I would say, within the next 30 to 40 minutes. We do have news coming in too here, so buy or sell. Yeah, let's take a look at NAS 100 here today too. So let's go ahead and take a look at the NASDAQ and see what we got going on here. This would have probably, nope, I don't think so. Yeah, probably the celery play. So yeah, we were looking for range 2 sells. You got your support, you got your resistance. I don't, what time is this? 11:30. Yeah, I probably wouldn't have touched this here. let's go ahead and do a breakdown here on NAS and see where we're at. So NASDAQ, so monthly chart here is pretty bullish, right? We had a very strong bullish candle close above support here, or above resistance after creating a support. And you've got, you know, okay, I mean, it's not a lot, like it's not like it's clean traffic. You got a small range coming up. It wouldn't surprise me if we get some sort of a pullback here for price to continue down a little bit to move back up. But right now we did close above. If you do break this high here, you should move up and fill the wick, which is about 140 pips, right? So pretty big range in terms of like lower time frame. But yeah, so you got this resistance here. So if you break this high, you should be good to drive here today. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours got clean ranges here. So 4 hour looks like it's coming down here to create a support. Obviously, we've been, if you look at the chart, we've been clearly running up for quite some time here. We're going to need a resistance, right? Now, that resistance may be formed right here at this level here. So price doesn't dip down back below, and then price should move up. You've got a nice clean candle to trade here, and you should see a move up towards like 163.67 by the end of today here, if we do end up creating that support. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the weekly time frame. What am I doing? Yeah, weekly's looking like it wants to create a support there. So I think as long as we remain above 157, then we are good to go. Yeah. Let's see what the daily looks like though. So daily did close bearish yesterday, but if you notice, we closed right at support. So we're closing right at support. The daily is nasty, and typically you're going to see this right after you have a huge run up for the last few weeks, right? How many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks we've printed bullish. The daily is now going to slow down, right? Because the weekly is going to come to a little halt, right? It's tired, it's exhausted, it needs fuel, right? So how does price get fuel? It consolidates, right? It ranges. So that's what you're seeing here on the daily time frame. Let's go ahead and mark off this range here. So this is the range you're in. Like I said, you are bearish, but we did close at support. We've also rejected this area twice at this point now. So you may create support here today. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 4 hour. So yeah, regardless, I think the next 4 hour candle, maybe even the next 2 or 3 of them, will probably move up, right? Because either way, we need some sort of retracement here for price to continue down. So let's take a look at the 1 hour and the 30-minute here, see what's good. So yeah, 1 hour got a resistance right here. You also have a support right here on the 30-minute, and this is your range that you're currently in. So very clean traffic on both sides. I think we just need to wait for a closure. We are bearish on the day technically, so we're going to wait for range 2 buys above 15835 here today. Range 2 buys, and then we're going to look for sells below 15824, and that's a closure below for price to come down with the daily here. So let's see, yeah, for price to start moving back down. So we already broke the lows there, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll see what happens. 15, yeah, I think we can probably adjust that just a little bit. And yeah, looks good. NASDAQ looks good here today. Looks good to make a move. Yeah, if the 4 hour closes bullish too, then you're probably going to see a push up, right? So we're always prepared for either direction, up or down. So that's what we're going to do, or that's what I'm going to do here today. And yeah, I'm going to look to see if we can get clean moves in these ranges up, down here and then up here. So buys above this resistance and sells below. It looks a little bit cleaner on the 15 here. Yeah. So pretty simple day here. Pretty simple day all around with price action. Now we just got to wait for price to begin to break out. Yeah. Let's see. That's the weekly, fam. Yeah, no. All right, cool. Yeah, I could take a look at GJ here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I looked at GJ during London. I was like, well, damn. I'm telling you, GJ be flirting, bro. I'm telling you, I'm just shaking my head. I'm just shaking my head at GJ. Honestly. How come every time we threaten GJ with divorce, GJ wants to try and come back down, come correct, make it look like GJ wants to help. What's going on with GJ, man? Yo, what's good with GJ here? All right, let's talk about GJ real quick. So, pound yen, man. Pound yen, good old pound yen, how much I love you. So, obviously, we've been moving up all year long. We've obviously, same thing as NASDAQ's weekly. This monthly candle has exhausted itself. It's tired. It needs a break. It doesn't really know what to do. It's not in a proper position to make a decision, so it's consolidating, right? So, we've got a support right here. We've also got a resistance right here. Below there is very clean. Above is clean as well, but this is the range we're stuck in here. So let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly is running into major support here as well as we speak. So this weekly was the bleeder, right? This was the bleeder, and I think a lot of this happened like today. Yeah, look at that big daily candle here. So holy. So yeah, we've been obviously trickling down here, right? So weekly did a fake out, created a resistance. This candle just right out the gate, literally right out the gate, did not even make a top wick, just drove down, and now it's coming into this support level here, right? So now we're tapping into these levels, and price may reject. It could reject here. It can keep pushing below it, but you know, something's gonna happen right in this range here. So that's where we're at based off of the weekly chart here. Let's take a look at the daily. So daily does have, yeah, we never closed below anything here. So yeah, this candle closed right at support, and we just bled there. So yeah, honestly, I don't even know what to do with GJ here, right? I don't know. Take a sell. Take sells. Yeah, GJ's chalked, man. Let's see what we got. That's the 1 hour chart here. So let's see. So 1 hour did create support, and below that is pretty clean candles, right? Obviously we're moving down here today. I wouldn't really want to fight this downtrend that much. Doesn't even look like we're really pumping anywhere right now, but ultimately, I mean, we kind of need a resistance, right? So I mean, if you can get price to move up and create some sort of resistance, then you'll probably have clean traffic in this range to move down. So that's what we need. I mean, yeah. No resistance anywhere here, just a straight run down. Wow. Who had sells on pound yen? Who's in GJ sells? Dang. Yeah, started 6 a.m. yesterday. 11 a.m. yesterday was the rundown. Sheesh. Sheesh. Green, you see this? Damn. Wow. Call 40 pips on GJ. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I mean, let me stop joking. So like what I would do here is I would probably wait for some sort of range to, like, I wouldn't look for range twos. I would look for fake outs for sells here. So if you can get price to pop back up here again, after creating the support, pop back up and then kind of create resistance again, then I think you can probably drive down. I probably won't take any buys unless we push up towards like 183, like 337 here. Above that, you've got pretty clean candles. You kind of want to see a range though, right? You want to see price range a bit. I don't mean like consolidate. I mean like pump up, you know, come down, boom, you know, and then give you some sort of a move at this point. Yeah, you don't want to just 1 or 2 candle up, no support, and take your buy. That may be where the fake out happens. So wait for like this, you know, resistance, support, closure above, breakout, and then take your buys, and you've got clean traffic. I don't think I'll be participating here on pound yen, but this is what I would do. This is what I would be waiting for, because I know some of you guys are actually trading pound yen. So yeah, so we'll do that. Buys above here. Cool. Storm player. What's goody? What up, Dominic? Been in GJ for days? Oh, nice. Sweet. You swing trade? Nice. What did you take this off? What time frame was your forecast done, or for the swing trade? Zero strategy for GJ, yeah. Gold range. FGJ. Can you explain your last 2 trades so we understand them? Absolutely. Yeah, let's go over the last 2 trades here real quick. We've got time here. What time is it? It's 7:33. We're chilling. Let's actually bring up the stream here so we can really look at it. Live.
I made over 7 million trading since 2020,
this your boy.
and my students are quitting their jobs left and right to live a life of abundance and freedom. They no longer have to worry about losing their jobs because of the economy. Instead,
all right, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at yesterday's trades and see what was going on here, right? So yesterday, let's take a look at the breakdown real quick, what we were anticipating. This one we were talking about, you know, we can go up, we may go down. Yesterday was a very tricky candle there, obviously, because it closed bullish, right? So yesterday was a bit tricky, and let's go ahead and see what we had marked up. So let's see. Trade 1, hold on. Yeah, so the first trade we drew out, right? I think we drew that out. TK, when did I say clip it? Was it like 727? Nah, 827? I think it was 27. 27th of the hour, I think. Yeah, right here. Yeah, 26. So this is what we had planned for the day, right? So we were bearish on the day, and this is what we were expecting. So we wanted to see price move up. We wanted to see this happen on the 15-minute, 30-minute chart, right? So this is what we planned out for our positions on that day. Now, what we also had planned was range 2 buys, right? So we were open to taking buys, right? But they had to be off of a support level. So we weren't going to just take in, you know, jump on these buys or anything like that. We needed a support to be formed for price to move back up, right? So those were our 2 plans there yesterday. So this is what we drew out for ourselves. And I think, what time was that trade? Hold on, right here, right? So boom. Does that look similar? Pretty similar, right in the exact zone, right? So this was the trade that we took. So we planned this trade out, so we took this plan, right? Very, very simple, regular playbook play. Gang, let me say something real quick too. If you look at our wins and our losses, right? We have what? 111 wins, 34 losses. So I want you guys to understand, I have done the same thing for the 111 wins that I did for the 34, 35 losses. I think we have to mark one more loss. I got to check. Okay, nothing has changed, right? The same thing I did to get 111 wins, it was the same thing I did to get 34 or 35 losses. All right, so look, we do the same thing every single day. This is what trading is, right? Trading is probabilities. I posted something yesterday, right? The next 1 or 2 trades ahead of you don't mean anything, right? It's the next 50 to 100 trades that gives you your edge, right? So we just show up and run our edge day in and day out, week in, week out, month in, month out. That's all we do. So same trade we would normally take, right? Nice little onion play, looking for that fake out in that zone. Nothing I would have done differently here, I'll be honest. Absolutely nothing. I think this trade was perfect. Perfect. Manage risk when we needed to, right? We cut our loss in half. Right, let's go. Yeah, so I guess we were about 8-10 pips in profit. So I didn't want to close anything. I wanted to see this move down. Remember, it was 9:15. So let me give you my idea here, right? This was my idea on the 15-minute chart. So this is so I was expecting the next 15-minute candles, so 9:15, 9:30, and 9:45 to look something like this, just like it normally would. Right? Just like it normally would in this case. So that was the idea on this trade, to close some partials right around these zones, and that was what we were anticipating. So no different there. I don't really know what explanation you guys want, because it's the same trade we've taken and won 100 times. Right? So that's basically that trade, and we drew that out, and it just happened to go against us, right? We managed risk as we broke those lows. We moved stops below the 15-minute time frame, so we cut our. So I was risking 2%, and now I was risking a little bit under 1% there, right? So boom, done deal. That was a perfect trade. I wouldn't have done anything different. Nothing. So price just happened to break through these 15-minute lows, break the previous 30 low, and come back up. Normally, that ain't gonna happen, right? At 8 out of 10 times, this is not gonna happen. Now, what did we draw out also? So we were also prepared for buys, but what did we need? We needed a support to be formed, right? So let's see if we get a support. Oh, wow. Okay. Support has been formed, right? So what is our job now? Our job is to take a buy, right? Because we were looking for range 2 buys after a support. Look at the time, right? 9:30 cheat code, right? 9:30 cheat code here. So if we're going to break, and the entry was on the break of the previous candle highs. Why? Because those were the 15-minute highs, 30-minute highs, 1-hour highs, 4-hour highs. We waited for this candle to re-break its own low to assure us that, okay, if we re-break the low and then break the high again, sheesh, you know, we should be gone here at 9:30. So we re-broke that low. And that's when we set our limit order, right? Let's see. Let's see if we set it after breaking the low. Boom. Okay, so that's when we set the order. So we waited for that low to break again. And now if this high breaks during 9:30, right, high times the volume, you should continue driving up. 1 hour looked good. 4 hour looked good to continue up. And that's how we switched our bias there. So any questions? Any questions on those trades? Talk to me. Because I would take these trades today, by the way. Right? When you see that high breaking at 9:30, this thing's normally goner. Right? Goner. So, yeah, I think they were both great trades. Nothing I really would have done differently, to be honest. Yeah, there's some trades I could look at and be like, wow, that was stupid. But I'll be honest, these were both decent playbook positions here. I mean, maybe the one thing we could have done better was use this support here. That was the only thing I was looking at. So, like, technically that candle didn't close above. Right? This guy right here. That's probably the only thing I could have or maybe have done differently, was just used a different range. But this range was based off of, I believe, the 15-minute. Yeah, 15 or 1 hour. So, yeah, that was it. that was it pretty much. Nothing really to learn on this one. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys have questions though, we could still talk about it, because all my job is not to win or lose trades. You guys know that, right? My job is to follow the plan. So when the plan pops up, that's the only way to truly give your edge an opportunity to actually play out in probabilities, is to execute every single time the edge shows up. So that's the only job I have as a trader. It's not to win money, it's not to win trades, it's not to make money, it's to flawlessly execute on my edge. And that's the only thing I focus on day in and day out. You dig? What up, Shad? Has the 1 hour 30-minute time frame changed? No, those are the best time frames here. 30-minute, 1 hour here. 15-minute when there's high volume, and I like to use the 15-minute during during the open of the new 4-hour candle, right? Because one thing we discovered this year was that there's really like 3 pockets of volume that come in. If you guys go ahead and go back and look at the New York session, and go ahead and look at the 9 a.m. candle, right? 9 a.m. Eastern, whatever that time is for you, I'm not sure, but look at the candle and see how big that candle typically is. So if you're gonna wait for a 1 hour closure, you're gonna miss that candle, right? Sometimes we'll wait for 30-minute closures, but what I like to do is kind of maneuver on the 15-minute. It's one thing that I've learned how to do pretty well this year, is maneuver on the 15-minute between 9, 9:15, 9:30, and 9:45 to potentially execute on positions during that high times of volume. All right, does that make sense? Because if you wait for the 1 hour, you're gonna miss that whole candle there. Does that make sense? Hey, Pablo's in the house. Profits increased 40% since joining. Let's go. Let's do it. How do you identify a daily bias? I like to identify it with the daily candle closures, right? So if a daily candle closes and looks something like this, right? Closure like this, then what I'm looking for is to anticipate the next candle to make a high and move down, right? So I'm going to have a bearish bias that day. I'll still be open for buys and sells as always, but if the previous daily candle closes bearish, then I'm going to look for an opportunity to fill a wick or, continue down on that time frame that day. So even with like 30-minute, like I need if I'm going to take a buy here, I need a bullish candle to close, right? So I'm always following the candle, using one candle for confirmation and the other one to follow in a trade or in an idea. Yeah, daily closes like this. Nice, healthy, bullish candle. I'm going to be looking for buys that day, right, to fill the wick. All right, NY Open coming up here in 15 minutes. Buy stops, do you think it's a good idea to use buy stops in 2041 due to the clean range on the left-hand side? Yeah, it's a very clean range. Above 38 here is really clean. I think 41 is this one, right? You're talking about? Yeah, this wick right here. I mean, yes, I would potentially look for a closure above 38 here, or even 34, but 38, and target that wick. Instead of entering off of the wick, I look to target it. No matter the daily close, daily buys is off how it closed. Yes. Yeah. Now look, there's also little nuances, right? And little details. And I have a video on my YouTube channel. It's called How to Tell a Story, right? From time frame to time frame. So what do we do every morning when we come here? We basically tell a story, right? So check out this video right here, how to tell a story from each time frame. And this is going to be a video of what you should really be saying to yourself, right? While you're doing the top-down analysis and finding the little nuances and the little details, right? Within the candles, right? Candles will speak to you if you can understand the language, right? That's why candles are really all you need, because at the end of the day, indicators, all that great stuff, if it helps people, but if you remove them all you have left are candles and wicks. So these are what really tell the story. So looking at this daily, right, I am bullish here, right, because we did close bullish, but I can also build out a case. I could also build out a case where we may move bearish as well, right? So let's say we never closed back above this support level, right? So we're currently still within this range here. This is the range. Now, this candle has no bottom wick as well, right? It never broke the previous candle high, right? So if you do get these range 2 closures and stuff like that on the lower time frames, what you're doing is you're basically building a case and talking out reasons for why this thing could move up and why this thing could potentially move down, because at the end of the day, we can have a bias, but price will do whatever it wants to do, right? So we just got to go off of the data that's in front of us, off of the data that we have. So we build a strong case for buys, right? Being that we are bullish, and then we build a strong case for ourselves, because again, price can do anything it wants. So as long as this high respects the high of the previous candle, at any point we could flip bearish here today, break those lows and fill this wick. So that's why our range 2 buys, if you kind of put a microscope or like a 3D glasses on to look into this candle, you're going to see a little range, right? You're going to see price doing its thing. And that's the range that we're tracking right now on the lower time frame, right? Somewhere in here is a range, right? Boom, boom. And that's what we're looking for. Breaks and drives down. So, you know, you gotta understand candles. You gotta really understand price action and the nuances. And are you going to be perfect? Absolutely not. You're never going to be perfect. Never, gang. But you can start to build up a concrete game plan to come into the markets with every day, aka an edge, a real edge, right? Most traders enter the markets every day not knowing what the hell they're doing. They're just, I hear traders all the time, yeah, yo, I took a major win, bro, but honestly, I'm not even that happy. Like I got lucky, right? I thought price was going down and I hit sell. You know, you don't want to be there, right? You don't want to be there. You want to be in a place where you have a concrete plan day in and day out. You have a good foundation on what price action really is, and you can be patient and disciplined day in, day out, right? That's kind of how you want to approach the markets. Hey, Nightbot's here today. What up, Nightbot? You don't need range 2 for sells? Yeah, range 2 sells. Yep. Yeah, the reason I wanted to take sells below here today too was that so I was anticipating the daily candle to start ripping down, right? But now since it's broke its own high again and pushed up along with the 4-hour breaking the highs here, now I want to be patient on those sells, right? Before that never happened. We were only right here. We kind of broke out of the consolidation where you would consider maybe a fake out happening. So I was okay with taking the sells, right? But now we kind of aggressively pushed up here and made a statement, right? So we may create support here to move up right here. So I don't want to take sells too early now. I'd rather wait for those range 2s to be safe now that we've kind of moved all the way up. So yeah, that's kind of the idea here now in the New York session. Yeah, no bottom wick on the daily. Yep. So there's little clues that put a story together for us, and now we just have to watch price unfold, right? Like yesterday, we drew up those two ideas. Both of them happened to come out, but guess what? Price had different plans yesterday. And I mean, look at this range, right? It was just nasty. It was just nasty, but you know, price ended up driving there. So this candle right here, this is what we were looking for on, you know, this candle, right? But for some reason, at 9:15, price decided to move up on us there. So yeah, no big deal. That's gonna happen very rare, you know. But that's the price you pay to play the game. You know, that's the price you play when you trade, right? It's a probability game, and that's why John and I always say, hey, listen, you know, this trade is not 100%, right? Like this trade now goes into the hands of probability, and all we do is our own job. We sit tight, we execute on a data we have good results with, and then after that, our job is done, gang. Our job is done. And now that trade is in the hands of probability. We've lost 930 celery plays, right? So we've won like 9 out of 10 of those, but if you decided to put your whole life savings on it, you could lose that trade, right? So you always have to be prepared for the risk. Was yesterday a fake out? Yeah. Yup. We faked out right here. Yup, and then the next candle drove back down. So yeah, so like this candle, like I said, that's what we were expecting our candle to do. Right? We wanted to see our candle do this. But our candle drove down here, and then the next one drove up and just screwed us up, right? And then it closed back above, and yeah, so then we ended up driving down at 9:45. So we were right about the direction, just kind of off on the timing there yesterday. Yeah, like I said, like this 15-minute this 15-minute chart here, right? If you look at it right here, I mean, how nice does that look, right? To continue down. So what we were expecting was the next 15, which was 9:30. So we were already in at this point, right? We were in on this candle. We were expecting that next candle to be a bleeder here, 9:30, right? And then 9:45 to continue down, which if you see the wick right here, it did, right? It did do that, but first it moved up. So that was the idea of the trade in terms of, you know, that move yesterday. And again, we drew all this out, you know, so we have to act on our edge. All right, 30-minute consolidating here, 4 minutes till NY open. Oh, what up, Landon in the house? What up, Landon? Thanks, bro. Hope you and your family are doing great, too. Yo, it's cold today. I embraced it, though. It's chilly out here today in Florida. I don't want to say the actual, like, temperature, because it might make some of you guys a little mad, but chilly 73. Bring out the whole ocean. Yo. Haven't heard that one in a while. Damn. Oh, what's this? What's this? Targeting women and gonna demotivate other females in the Discord? Come on, gang. Hey, gentlemen, grow up, man. Grow up. Why am I getting a message saying you guys are targeting women and demotivating female members? Come on, boys, grow it up. Put on your big man pants. Stop being a little boy. This isn't you know, your video game world. This is a real community with real people where people are trying to learn and grow. So if you're gonna talk to women like that and other people after you take a loss like a little baby, then get to stepping. If I see you, I'm gonna just kick you from the server. So thank you for the message. I'm not gonna say who messaged me, but thank you for the message, bro. Yeah, come on, gang. Come on, come on. Don't act like a sore loser. We'll have to some of you guys up. We're gonna breathe air, gang. Breathe some air. Damn. Couple sore losers. Yeah, you start disrespecting the ladies, man. You out of here. I don't care who you are. Yeah, I don't care if you've been with us since February. Start acting up, you gonna get clapped up. Shiro's gonna be like, yeah, come on, gang. That shouldn't even have to be said, gentlemen. What's up with y'all? Yeah, it's okay to troll me, you know what I mean? Like, call me out on stuff that you have no idea about, but not the ladies. Come on, dog. Come on. Ladies, hey, ladies, if anyone's messing with you in the Discord, let me know. Just message me directly. We're going to take care of them. All right? Don't be brokies. And don't listen to the brokies either. Yeah, this ain't your video game world where you're sitting in your boxers in your mom's basement eating Doritos, sucking on a jewel with pink hair. Come on, man. Come on. Dyeing your hair pink and stuff. What's up with you, bro? There you go. Just tag Shiro. Oh, you're funny, bro. Yeah, don't worry about who the ladies are in the Discord. They're behind usernames. Tighten up, gentlemen. I'm looking for a Forex chick. Yeah. Brian. Have I heard about ICT? Yeah, I have. Yep. Breathe air. How about news? Yeah, we're gonna wait on news here. So we'd this is the 30-minute closure here, right? And the 1 hour close. So we did create this support here, gang. So we may move up, right? We do have news coming out. There's a nice wick to fill up here as well, up at 2039. So we may move up here. Unfortunately, there's news in the way, so I'm not gonna personally be taking a position just yet. Because we can also move down, right, just as much. So I will wait for the news to come out. We'll see how numbers come out. If we have an opportunity to get in around 8:30, you know, 8:35, 8:40, then I may be interested there. But other than that, I think I may, you know, settle and see what direction news wants to go here. What's my Discord? You can, there it is. There's the link. Look for Nightbot. Nightbot will drop the link there. Am I a Don Vo student? Yeah, I learned a lot from Don and Raja. Those are like the two guys that I really paid attention to and followed on their streams and, you know, follow them very closely. So yeah, that's where I kind of built my foundation. Yeah, shout out to the boys. How you doing today? Oh man, fantastic, dude. How you doing? Be a man. mentor question. Yeah. Where does Roger stream? He doesn't anymore. Yeah, he's past that. He already played the game. He already put his time in. He said he might be streaming it. Yeah. Good luck. That he's playing life at a different level to be live streaming every day. And he knows it. Raja uses his stream to promote his other trading income streams. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, he's an entrepreneur, so he's got other stuff for sale. He's a businessman. Oh yeah, yeah. Sometimes he'll stream NFP and stuff. Yeah. When should you open up a real account, like off the demo? I would do it today. Yeah, maybe do it today. Maybe just load up a little bit of money, right? Something that you can afford to lose and test your skills. Raja sells keyboards and mentorship. Joe Fargo hates Raja. I always see your comments, bro. And Raja Casino tomorrow, yeah. Yeah, I do. Oh, let's see what's going on here in Zoom. When do you decide if you need a range 2 for sells and when not, like yesterday, since we are bullish? Yeah, so typically I'm gonna always need range 2 sells when we're going against the daily bias. So if the daily candle's bullish that day, or the previous daily candle closed bullish, that day I'm gonna look for buys, right? But I'm also going to be open, and that's the day I'm open for sells, but it's got to be a range too. Yesterday I was kind of anticipating the move down, being that we opened up with no bottom wick. So where is that? That's like right here, right? So I was pretty much anticipating the daily candle now to had made like this, right? Like celery plays typically don't make like the steepest top wicks, but they'll move up a little to activate the buyers, right? So I was okay with like giving it a shot from here, expecting price to come down, you know, break its own low, flip bearish, and then by that time I would have closed partials and, you know, maybe anticipated this move down. But once we began to move back up here, so break above that high, you also did create a resistance on the 30, and now you're in this range. Now I don't want to mess with the sells too early, because now we can do a fake out here for price to move up. Right, so we can do something like this and fake out now, because we've already established like we're moving bullish on the higher time frame as well, and the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So now we can do something like this, and I don't want to get caught in this fake out there. So at this point I'll wait for the range 2 sells. Yeah, yesterday we didn't really break the highs and do all this other stuff that we've done here now, or not yesterday, but in the, like, let's say pre-London. So now we've done a lot since pre-London, right? That show price can move bullish here. So now I want to be a little careful here when it comes to sells below 31. Yeah, hopefully that helps. Yeah, I was thinking about streaming too, but I got up at like 2, and I was like, let me just pop in the Discord and hang out. I don't feel like having bright lights in my eyes. All right, Johnny Boy's in the house. What up, John?
Yo, what up, Nick?
How you doing, man? How you doing?
Man, I'm doing absolutely amazing, brother. How are you doing?
Fantastic.
Let's go.
Fantastic. ×2.
Yeah, let's get it. Let's
come on.
I'm hyped.
Living the dream,
Yeah,
bro.
Literally, man. Living the life, bro. So grateful.
Yeah, what a life.
Let's get it. What up, chat? How y'all doing? Happy Thursday out here. Let's go.
Thursday, baby. High volume day.
Oh, yeah. We at the end of the week. Should see some bigger moves. Time to get that bag, yes, sir. What up, Project Hero?
Oh, Project Hero's in the house. Any positions you can see in the previous session? Nah, I didn't. I was trading London last night, but I didn't take anything. Hey, Signals chat. My MT5 went green. I don't know about you guys, but I seen the green flash on my MT5 there. We were so close. When I was placing that order, I didn't want to place it either below the wick because I actually had no wick on my broker there. See how I had no wick there? So I ended up placing that sell stop like right here. Right, I could have just did it right there. We would have been activated there, but that just spooked me a little bit. I'm like, nah, we gotta see something because we don't want to become a pack, which would have happened, right? So my MT5 went green. I'll tell you that. I don't know about you guys. Yeah. What about Bitcoin? I have Bitcoin. So I bought Bitcoin in 2 months ago. So I haven't touched Bitcoin since 2021, and yeah, I purchased Bitcoin. BTC. Right. Honestly I got pretty good price. Not gonna lie. John, you bought some Bitcoin too down there.
Yep.
Me and John both holding Bitcoin now from September.
Sir.
Yeah, so we juiced up there.
For real.
Rolling in the deep. Rolling in the deep.
Bullish.
Rolling in the deep. Yo. BTC on the move.
We're on that bullish run, man.
Sniper entry. Yeah, nah, BTC is a long-term thing. It's not something I'm looking to, day trade or something like that. Sorry, I was dancing around, shook up my camera. You got me all fired up when I seen the price of Bitcoin at 42,000. Holy!
No, we finna hold it for some time here.
We finna hold it. Bought BTC at 4 or 5K. Oh, thanks, Tony. Thanks, bro. Just thank you.
BTC's my 401k, you know what I mean, huh?
You guys ever seen Billy Madison? Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. Thank you, Tony.
Yeah.
I feel so great about my entry now.
Tony.
Shout out to Tony. Tony, nice, man. That's a nice, solid investment you sitting on there, bro.
Good stuff, Tony.
Tony. What are you doing, Tony?
And Tony.
Yeah, you know Uncle Tony. How you doing?
How you doing?
Yeah, I had bought too, but I got rid of everything here. I actually had a really solid entry on BTC, but I was in there for 2020 and bits of 2021 there too. But I pulled.
Yo.
Which I think was a good move. It is what it is. Now I've re-entered the market there in September, so. We trade Bitcoin here? We do a little Bitcoin.
A little bit.
We do a little Bitcoin. Can you answer my question, Nick? Yeah, if you type it again, because I don't see it. I'm looking for your name and it's gone. Question's gone. Hey, I hear it's first come first serve on Johnny Boy Zooms these days. Damn, bro. I'm gonna have to
For
get up
real,
early now.
Yo, let it low key. My fault for anyone who couldn't get in.
Sheesh.
We gonna get it on YouTube though, ASAP.
Yeah.
Definitely by January.
Dude, I heard my boy Trav couldn't even get in. Hey, speaking of Trav, top of the morning there, laddie.
Hey, what up, Travis? Yeah, Travis, my bad, brother.
Hey, yo, Sam Capital's in the house. Oi! Oi, oi!
Hey, Sam the man.
Sammy Capital.
Sam the man. Let's go.
Always in the chat.
Freaking
Always in the
miss Sam.
chat. Man, it was cold last night and this morning.
Yo, right?
Felt
And this
good.
one, yeah.
Felt
I
closer
like
to
it.
God.
Personally, I like it, man.
Yeah.
That
That was
nice,
awesome.
cool, a nice cold, cool weather in the morning and at night, and then a nice, perfect medium. You know what I mean? Feel me?
I smell you, bro. I smell you.
Feel me, cuz?
Yeah, I'm messing up the camera over here. Where do you need me to look? Where do you need me? Oh, right there? Okay. Cool, cool.
Well, it's got that good medium right now.
What's up with the cam, fam? What's up with the cam?
Bro, Nick, you got that song stuck in my head.
Which one, bro?
Bless.
What?
Hey.
What? Oh, blessings.
Oh yeah, blessings.
Yeah, cold. Yeah, I love cold, man. Some of you Quakers need to sit in an ice bath for a little bit without your phone.
Takes discipline.
Gotta learn how to stay calm under pressure, man.
If you can't sit in a cold tub, you aren't a disciplined trader.
Yeah. Brick up top. What up, Sandman? I bet.
What's good,
Boston, I'm sure
Sandman?
is freezing too. Yeah. Take cold showers, Quakers.
It's a good idea.
Can you buy Bitcoin and hold right now? Yeah. Yep. What do I suggest? I'll be honest, man. I get my information from a friend of mine. So Bitcoin, I mean, anywhere you buy Bitcoin, you should be good if you plan on holding it for the next decade. So I would take a look at the monthly chart and think like price action. You know, I mean, we're all the way up here. We're probably going to pull back a little bit. So wait for some sort of a pullback. And because what happens a lot of times too is this is like this brings in the excitement, right? So you hear me like, oh yeah, I got into Bitcoin here, blah, 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 blah. So people are all like, oh, we got to get more Bitcoin. We got to get more Bitcoin. And typically that's going to lead to the dump, right? So that's going to lead to the dump. But then you should probably, you know, at some point create support. So you got to be ready for all this, you know? Can't be quaking. Can't be quaking on your Bitcoin holdings. So you probably do something like this and, you know, things take time, man. Things take time. So
What's the process?
yeah, it'll probably dump. I'll probably go back to like break even at some point, maybe even below, and then yeah. Yeah, BTC is a long-term investment. Yeah, because if had I just held everything from the jump, yeah, I would have obviously went all the way back in a drawdown here, but would have been back up now. So, but that's fine. You know, I when I did this, it was very useful to me at the time. So I'm very happy with my decision, and now I'm back in here for the long run. All right, we got news coming in here, and 14 minutes. Price still chopping around a bit.
Nothing.
Sam's in the house. Is Sam in the Zoom or is he in the house?
Sir,
In the
I see
YouTube
Sam in
house?
the Zoom.
Oh, oi!
Free
Yeah,
that
bull
man.
trap. Yep, it's a bull trap. And I know it. You know, I'm already anticipating it, so I already know that. That way it doesn't mess me up, right? Oi!
Oi.
There he is.
What's the word?
Hey, the boys all got hoodies.
That's-
Oh no, never mind. Sam got short sleeve. What's the word
That's
up there in
Sam.
Washington
I got a hoodie
D.C.?
on. I got a hoodie on.
Oh, you do. You do.
I got no hoodie.
Nah, look at what temperature is it? It's a little cold this morning, a little chilly up here in
A
the
little
DC.
chilly.
Just a little bit.
Damn, I think I should put my black hoodie on too.
33.
Oh damn.
That'll be freezing, man. 1 degree lower.
Oh,
But
Yeesh.
it's all right. I like to step out in that in the morning, bro. But I think I've been doing it too much because I'm getting sick. Feels like my lungs are on fire.
breathe.
But it gets me
Breathe.
fired up. Get me fired up. Yeah, breathing air.
Change of seasons.
Breathe air, Sam Capital.
Breathe air. I can't believe it's 46 here today.
That air
Sheesh,
is.
bro, that probably is freezing though. In Florida, that's probably freezing.
Hell yeah.
I think like when I was in Florida one time, the coldest it was, and it was January, it was like 52.
Oh wow. Damn, that's still pretty cold.
Yeah. Nah, it's not. Not that cool. John, you're going back to New York, buddy, so you better get ready.
They better tighten up.
You better tighten
yeah,
up,
I
bro. You
mean-
better get your North Face out, bro.
You know I'm ready. You know I'm ready.
John going face first in the cold.
Word.
First thing
Yeah.
he does when he sees the snow is he's gonna rub his face in it.
Snow Angel.
Gotta hop off the plane with my beanie on, you know? Put
You
the
better
hood
go-
over it.
You better go build a snowman, bro.
Yes, sir.
That jacket times hoodie, you know, type of vibe.
Yeah, more than that.
That's what I do, bro. I take like 4 hoodies and stack
Sam's
them
like,
up.
I don't
Yeah,
think
for
you
real.
understand what we're experiencing up here.
Yeah, nah, what Green said. It feels good over here,
Yeah.
John. Don't worry, bro.
I'm listening to
Yeah,
Green.
Green loves the cold. I don't know what's up with that dude.
Shout out Green. Shout out Greenery.
Green.
Yeah, nah, it's good up here, bro.
Green,
It's
I'm
nice and
gonna try
chill weather.
I'm gonna try and come up too for
Yeah.
maybe a little bit.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
yeah, man.
We got pregnant mama
I like-
here, so
No,
it's getting
no.
close.
I like the change of environments. You know, every now and then, just switch it up. It keeps things spicy.
Ditto.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah,
Sir.
time to go sleigh riding.
That's what I'm saying. Hopefully, maybe it'll snow down there when I'm there.
I'll be doing wheelies down the hill, bro. I just sled up on 2 wheels.
Yeah. Thanks, bro.
Dudes are gonna be like, sled on wheels?
Oh man, I love sleigh riding, bro. But the walk back up, come on.
Yeah, come on.
Come
You gotta get
on.
on that tube.
Yeah, you gotta
hop
get
on that ski lift, bro.
word.
Thanks,
bro.
yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's why I would love going to those like parks where it's like you get to ride down and then they'll pull you back up.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, I seen a video of a ski lift that like something happened to it where it just started cranking, bro. It started going faster and faster, bro. And so like the carts were coming down the hill, and it would go around and start going back up. But like, bro, it would come around that turn and it would whip so hard, and it was literally
Yeah.
just throwing the people like 10 feet in the air off of the ski lift into the snow.
Yeah. No.
Damn.
I was
Yo.
like, wow, bro. I was like,
Thanks
how
for
are
the
you gonna
ride.
watch the first 2 people in front of you get flung off and just sit there and take it? Like, bro, I'm
Right?
jumping off, bro. I don't care
Right?
if it's 10-foot drop. I'm landing in snow.
I'm out of here. I'll
Looks
walk
like
the
there's
rest.
some. Looks like there's some technical issues going on over there.
Yeah, for real.
Scratch your head and stuff.
Something slight, yeah.
It's
It's
quaking.
whipping the people.
Yeah, I'm gonna head out now.
It's quaking. Still have my North Face 550 full fur snorkel from the back in the day, the OG poster. Chat don't know about that. Oh damn. Chat,
Damn, bro.
y'all know about this right here, man. Y'all know about this. Oh damn. Yeah, that's funny, Travis. I don't have mine anymore. But man, that was the deep pocket jacket, man. That had that jacket had like 18 pockets in it. 18 pockets, man. That
It's
was
like a perfect jacket. You know what I'm saying?
Got the north on right now. Yo, Dominic, my man sitting in his room right now at the desk with the north face on. Yo, that's
facts.
boss. That's boss.
Facts.
What you got in them pockets? Oh man. Oh, look at Sam's checking the news. All right, let me shut up now.
I'm watching a ski video, bro.
Oh.
Yo, that's great. I'll put it in the Discord or something.
Now they got shoes with pockets. Damn.
Yeah, so you want to talk about the news real quick?
Yeah,
So
let's
we
do it.
had a bad ADP NFP yesterday, right? So they were expecting 131,000 jobs created. We only got 103. So it was way less than expected. We had a bad job report yesterday. Today they are not expecting too much of a change, but we'll see, right? Because of the ADP that we had yesterday. So we'll see if unemployment comes out more, right, than the forecast. Because if less jobs are being created with the ADP NFP on Wednesday, then I mean less jobs, less people employed, unemployment higher. So we'll see, and then maybe that'll give gold a move up.
Yeah.
At 8:30.
Yeah, it's looking like it. We created support here as well.
Yeah, the 1 hour, 30.
On the 1 hour mainly, yeah. This 1 hour looks good to keep running up. I think Sergio asked the impulse entry. Yeah, I would say probably the break of that wick there at 36. Yep. That's gonna be. We'll sample size that today if it comes. But if we do get a closure here above, then I think it looks pretty good. Or if we actually get, depending on how numbers actually come out, if numbers are in favor for gold to move up and we do get a bottom wick, then we may be able to enter positions anticipating the hour to continue up now off this support. So it's like a 1 hour celery play, but we're going to give it time, right? We're going to let the flash bang go down. If we can get a little bit of time to push down here on a bottom wick and then break the highs, then I think we're good to go. So we'll keep an eye on that.
Yes, sir. I like that idea.
Patience.
Yeah, we may take it off this high here, 35. Let's see what stops look like for that. Yeah, it'd be about 30 pips. So we'll see. We'll see what happens when the numbers come out here. Forex Factory's a flashbang. Boom.
Yeah, it is.
Everyone's like, my eyes.
Yo, facts.
Hey, next time you guys quick, I'm gonna pull up with the white background, all stream long.
Facts. All y'all laying in bed.
I'm gonna put the
Just looking at
background
it.
white.
Yeah, you're gonna need them gunner goggles you got on, bro.
Yeah, facts. Too bad there wasn't a dark mode for Forex Factory, you know?
Yeah,
I'm surprised they don't got
Yeah.
one.
Word. I switch everything to dark mode now. My phones, my trading view, my YouTube, all that. Got some blue light
You got it.
glasses. They don't want us on that dark mode.
Invest in some blue light glasses, and instead of grabbing your phone first thing in the morning, grab those blue light glasses.
Grab your Bible.
Yes, grab your Bible.
Alexandros is in the house.
If you
That's
read
good.
your Bible on your phone, though.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Alexandros.
Yesterday, Sammy boy wasn't here. That's why we had a lot. Yeah, word. Sam, come on, man.
Yo,
Blame Sam. It wasn't me.
yo, come on, dog, don't do me like that.
Man, they're gonna put the pressure on Sam.
Yeah, I'll
You better
take
be
it.
here every day.
I'll take the blame for it.
Pressure.
That's privilege.
Pressure.
Yeah,
is
exactly.
privilege.
I'll take the blame.
It's a
Hell yeah.
privilege.
I love pressure.
Yeah, me too.
Hell yeah. We thrive
Pressure.
on it.
Pressure.
Pressure. You gotta do the whistle, bro. I can't whistle.
Hey, they were missing John last night.
Hey, yo, my fault. It was so late. When I went to bed, I had to tell you guys in the Discord, like, there was no Zoom call. Just so we all knew.
Man said,
Yeah,
"Hey, there's
respect-
no
respect.
shot I'm waking up at 1:30 tonight."
Let's see, 11 o'clock right now. My alarm's set for 1 a.m. I don't know if that's gonna work out good.
Do I want to do this to myself here? I don't think so.
I was thinking maybe just go to racetrack, hop a Red Bull, but
Do I want to treat my body like this right now? I don't know.
I was already on 3 hours of sleep. Just let me get some sleep.
Yeah, Red Bull expands your life. Remember?
Was it?
They give it to the rats with the taurine.
Taurine.
Yeah,
I did like a study on rats.
Red Bull
yeah,
turned
do
you into a
Do
rat.
you remember someone said that in the chat one time? They were like, Red Bull is no or something. They did a study and it helps your heart. I was like, really? And so I
Holy.
started looking it up. Yeah, I was like, that's cat. So I started
I don't
looking it
know.
up. And they'll tell you it's good. Yeah, go ahead, drink that.
Bruh.
Just try it.
Not gonna lie, I have a friend who probably drinks 6 Red Bulls a day. My man looks like he's 90. Like,
Bro, I was gonna say, like, his teeth are probably gone.
literally,
It gotta be.
they
It
are.
gotta be.
They're not in existence anymore. Like, my man got like fake teeth and all that. Just
That's
straight up
crazy.
copping a 6-pack like it's nothing.
Damn.
Yeah, oh man, I don't know.
Wow.
This shit makes me so.
That boy bugging.
That brother's starving.
That brother's thirsty.
Yeah, bro, I get upset. Like, I'll see like younger guys that are working. You know, they're usually like blue collar, and they just slam Mountain Dew, bro. And their teeth are like all like, bro, they're not even 30 yet. They're about to have no teeth.
Bro,
Yeah.
that's
It's crazy, bro.
Dude, I was
this
at.
one teacher. My fault.
Go ahead.
When I was in middle school, this one teacher walked into class every day with a Coke. Every day. What a great example.
Yeah. Well, that's what I was gonna say. I was at the gas station earlier getting some water and stuff, and this lady, I mean, let's just, and it's not being mean, but let's just say she was over 300 pounds. I would say, 250, 300. It was 6 o'clock in the morning. She was getting a slice of pizza from the gas station and 2 extra large Mountain Dews. Come on. Listen, gang.
That's for me on a bulk, bro.
Damn.
Life leaves clues, right?
Damn.
What you do, man. What you
Yeah,
do
it's
has
so
an
true.
effect.
You speak so loudly, I can't hear your words. Can't hear
She's
what you're
bulking.
That's what I said. Yeah.
Yo, it's
on
bulking
my
season,
bulk.
dude.
saying. In that bulk season, I think it's time to cut now.
I looked at her. She looked at me like, "What's up?" I'm like, "Well,
She about-
eat the
she
pizza.
got-
Eat the pizza." Just-
Like,
Damn.
oh,
My bad.
You
My
thought
bad.
you
Let me
gotta take
just
that shit from her, bro.
let me just pay for my items here and keep it moving. All right. All right. Here's the news. It's about to raise as high as that lady's cholesterol real quick. No, I'm just kidding. All right. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay.
Later. Let's see. Is it grabbing pack?
Could be grabbing paccaroni here.
No top wick, so probably is.
impulse buys above 35.
Yeah. I won't be
Yeah, what
taking
was
the
the
impulse,
news?
I don't
Let's
think.
see. No change with unemployment.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It came out at 220. They're forecasting 220.
All
That's
right.
news.
So things will remain just as they are. So now, good. We get a closure here. That should point us in the right direction. If we get closures below, closures above, we should have a pretty decent idea of where price is going.
Sweet. We'll just wait on.
See how this 4-hour candle closes up as well.
Hibernating for the winter. Yeah, you make it
Swell.
a 4-hour celery play too here.
True.
How do most people think jobless claims affect the market? Seems like a lot of different opinions. So I could tell you what I think, but I don't really know. But obviously, like if you have more unemployment, that would be a bad thing for the economy, right? So you're gonna see the outflow of the U.S. dollar back into your assets and safe havens like gold. If unemployment is up, it's a bad thing for the economy. Yeah. Yes, sir, Dino. Agreed. You've been hearing the opposite from people? Yeah, I'm not sure. We give you the right fundamentals, so you're time to eat. What up, Mustajab? Good to see you, bro. What's my thoughts on camps/tents being built for immigrants and what it will do to the economy? I don't know. I'll say that because there's a lot of other factors that would go into that. Yes, Peter Murray, spot on. More people with a job means more spending, and that will make a stronger dollar. Yes, sir. Stronger economy, stronger dollar.
Mustajab in the house. Let's go. Big
Yes, sir.
W.
That's the boy.
Cheers, mate.
Think the immigrants will help the economy in the U.S.? Yeah, that's what I mean. I would say, like, if they could find jobs in that, right? That would be, like, good, right? Like, I mean, if the jobs are filled, the jobs are filled. You got people working. You got money coming into the economy. Everything's flowing nice and well.
Yeah, they're.
Because it's like, you know, I mean,
Oof.
immigrants or not, there's still just, like, people that are working jobs. Like, yeah, at least unemployment didn't go up. Yes, sir. What up, Z Gamer? How you been, brother?
Oh, Z Gamer's in the house. Yeah, I got my Red Bull ready to go. No, I'm just kidding.
Did this thing break its own high yet?
It did not. It did not. It almost did. I was just measuring the stops. I don't think it's. I mean, it looks
it's too
okay on the
big.
1 hour, but it's not. We broke 1 hour lows there. So.
Yeah, I'd rather just wait.
Yeah, let's see what the 4 hours doing here. Yeah, 4 hours could be ready to juice. We got 25 minutes left on the 4 hour. I really would like it to stay right there for us, but we don't know. We don't know if it's gonna do that.
Yeah, we'll see. No change in the news. We'll see. Like if it breaks out of its range, it might just be like testing the top of it right now to make that top wick.
Mm-hmm.
But with no change. 36 impulse entry for buys.
That's right here. The break of this high. Oh, 36.
It could work out,
It could work. It's an impulse
but
though.
I will not do it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it here. Or there's the stops are horrible.
Yeah, you don't want.
Or you have no stop. I mean, that's an option too.
See, and then like another thing that I think is important too is like if you were to take this and say like you just dropped your lot size a lot, you know, you still gotta be able to close partials at your targets and that kind of stuff, and not get greedy and be like, oh, like I got a lower lot size, you know, I want to see more dollar amount.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
it's just like,
Yeah,
I don't know, I feel
plan
like
the trade.
sometimes it's not worth it. Like if you just got too big of a stop, and you know your risk isn't like enough, and it's like you're gonna be in the trade and you're gonna be up like 10 pips, and it's like it's gonna feel like you're up 2.
Yeah, that's true.
But ideally, you should like be closing partials at that 10.
Yeah, that's kind of the difficulty too with trading like a, let's say like a small account, is you only see
Right.
like $2-3 and you're like, I'm not gonna close this, but in reality you had a nice trade, you know, you just don't
Yeah.
have a lot, so you gotta plan the trade, right? Trade the plan, and no matter what you got, you know, whether it's a 0.01 or if it's a, you know, 1,000 lot or something, you still gotta plan that trade. But yeah, it could be pretty deceiving, right? When you're like, and I'm not closing that yet.
Yeah.
That's why we never look at price. We never look at pips too much either. We just look at structure, right? Look at points in the market to close those partials and do all that good stuff for the most part. Yeah, see, so that impulse entry not working the best. It could still work, but now you're in drawdown with no stop loss. You know, I never want to. I've been in those positions before, and it's like, is it worth it?
Not good.
Did I have the lucky
Which we
sock?
want to avoid.
Yes. Avoid what?
We want to avoid quaking during our trades.
Quick.
Confident.
Greg.
Everything was awesome yesterday. We had like 2 Quakers. That was it. Very, very proud of you guys.
Yeah, those were both money setups too.
Yeah, they were. Yeah, we went over both the setups. Nothing I would have done
I was
differently.
watching this morning. Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, this looks good though. If you get a nice 1 hour close above here, we've got very clean ranges here on gold to move up. So, who entered on the pack? If you're trying to become rich today, well, you're definitely going to get a step closer. You're definitely going to get a step closer than the guy who ain't trying to become rich today. That's for sure. Trading is the ultimate sport too. I love this game. I love it, man. It's the ultimate mental toughness game too. Like, and the willingness to put down ego, and you know, you get exposed, man. Like, your thoughts about money, you get exposed here in trading, right? And your emotions, you know, you get emotionally hijacked, and you got to learn how to maneuver through that, and you know, avoid that stuff. And you get FOMO on stuff like this, and you got to learn how to tame that down. It's like the ultimate like craftsman. It just keeping you on the
making sure
toe.
you are following what to do. You could take a loss on one trade, study it, learn what you did wrong, and then another week or another day later, same situation happens, right? And you get that same test to prove yourself, you know, worthy of your lesson you learned.
Yep. Ditto, ditto, ditto.
Ditto, ditto.
Hey, what's up, Will? Discipline, huh? Yeah, discipline. You're gonna learn a lot about that on the stream, Will. How long have you been on the live streams? If it's just a couple days, if it's just a couple week or two, sit tight, man. We're gonna get you right on that discipline. Just wait for 2024. It'll be your best year yet. Sergio, you in? That boy's in. Let's go. No, I don't know. Is he in? You got a wick to fill. You got high times of volume. You should fill the wick. But we may not do it on this candle here. We may do it. We may not do it. I'm going to wait for that candle to close, though, here in 19 minutes. But a lot can happen in 19 minutes.
Let it drive up and just leave us a nice wick though.
Yeah. Sergio's nowhere to be found. Hey, what's up, Hank? How you doing, brother? Hey, better here now than never, right?
Oi, what up, Hank? Yo, you were playing poker with us the other day, weren't you?
Oh,
Hank the
fill the
Tank.
wick
I
right
think
there.
he was. I remember his name.
Oh damn.
Wick fill, wick fill.
Damn. Oh, damn. Bro, I just watched it on the stream. Go crazy, boys.
Juice box.
The juice.
No FOMO.
What's up, Landon and
look where
Sergio?
this- Yeah, look where this candle wants to close, and then look left.
Yep.
I'll be feeling like Birdman.
Yeah.
Oh, you got activated? Let's go. I would have taken some. I would have probably closed full right there. Right at that wick fill.
Sergio, he took the impulse.
Yeah.
Yo, why didn't you tell us after it ripped, bro? I'm playing.
Yeah, so that would have been a W there. So the sample sized impulse entry would have been good. The problem here is no stop loss, right? Really no stop loss. So a lot of times, if you like in this case right here, where's the most logical stop, right? The only stop that actually makes sense is this guy right here, right? So you have a mental stop for this trade. This is one of those trades where you just finger on the close button, right? Like, you know, and that's the one thing about impulse entries. A lot of them, there's no logical stops, you know, because if they happen on news, most likely you get the grab and then it kind of moves up from there. So, you know, yeah, you could be like, oh, put it here, but that's not that logical either, because price can come down here and come back up, right? So the only logical one is right there. So yeah, they're not bad. If you have opportunities to actually have a stop loss, then I think they're a lot better. But if you're willing to just kind of let it go and have your finger on the close button, then that works too.
It works.
When did I first start my social media presence on YouTube? We did that in February. I think it was February 6th of this year. Couple months ago.
Man, we better be, well, not yet, but better be a year of the live streams. A couple more months.
Yes, sir. We did a lot of awesome things this year, man. A lot of people got funded. A lot of people got payouts. A lot of people improved their trading. We did like, I think 10 giveaways. We gave away like 10 funded accounts this year. We gave away a whole bunch of other stuff. We've just seen so much improvement in the community. It's really got me taken back, you know, the work of the Lord here. So it's been absolutely incredible year. Yeah, ready for a big 2024. This is just a stretch out year, gang. We ain't even warming up yet. We ain't even warmed up. We're just stretching right now.
You already know.
So many lives impacted, man. I get messages every day, dude. Not only am I a better trader, I'm a better husband, I'm a better father. That's what I get up for every day, man. I could do this on my own, but if I do this on my own, then we don't have stories like that. You know, we don't have lives being impacted like that. Maybe they do, but I think the stream helps a little bit, and, you know, I'm happy to be a part of it.
Sure.
Buy or sell? Buy and then turn around and then sell. And then turn around and then buy. And then turn around and then sell.
How to get your account blown?
Oh yeah, the boot camp. Yeah, we did the boot camp, which I think was maybe outside of the obviously consistent live streams every day. I think that may have been the biggest, one of the biggest impacts. Yeah, we gave away free tickets for the boot camp. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Carlos Santos. Hey, Mr. Volatility. What's going on? Yeah, so 8:45 here. We'll see how the 4 hour ends up closing. But we got clean range here. Clean range moving up for gold if we do decide to travel up in this area here. Looks pretty good.
Now's the time to do some push-ups.
We got 100 pip range here. Push-up time. I'm showing last month's trading history. That's fine. That's like last week. Or last 2 weeks. I think we should start selling and do some pineapples. What's some pineapples?
Not sure. I like pineapples on my pizza.
Pineapple
Bro,
pizza?
my mic was muted. I was just laughing so hard. Bro. Yo, is Nilo here? Bro, this dude trolling his camera in the Discord is so funny, bro.
Who?
Nilo. He's like, okay,
Oh.
sir. If I send you 5,000,
I
is that
seen
okay?
That was hilarious, bro. I love that.
funny.
That's what I'd be doing with them, with the scammers too.
Yo. Cheryl's starving. Send me your Addy, I'll DoorDash you. Do they have that? in
Don't get us
Closet?
talking about food, man.
Yeah. Chill.
This is meatball. Oh. Who is this? Landon? I can only see the L. I think it's Landon. Yeah, Landon. Smashburger went down last night, huh? Was that last night? Yeah, yesterday. Storm Player with the
Damn,
nice
Smashburger.
gourmet meal there too. Okay. Oh, sending love from Tanzania. Tanzania? Yeah, Tanzania. Awesome.
Sounds good.
We fasting, no food talk. All right, let's let it go. Let's let it go. I'm a carnivore. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll BRB.
Hey, yo, Landon, how was that smash burger?
Where's that at in the Discord?
I was looking for it.
Oh yeah, I see it.
I just heard Nick talking about it. Oh, here it is.
The cheese on that thing hitting, bro.
Damn, bro. Did you get like some animal style fries? I heard those are mad good from there. That bun looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Got a nice big plate of ground beef and some white rice, you feel me?
Oh yeah.
Gotta get that
Yes.
protein.
Yes, sir. And that rice.
Or
Bro, I went to Longhorn. I think it was Monday. Bro, I'm
yeah.
telling you, I ain't gonna lie. Their ribs are starting to become like more. I like that more than a
Yeah.
steak. Bro, their ribs
bird.
are fire. Yeah, you gotta try them next time you go. If you never had
Guys,
them.
I
I
mean,
tried them
that's-
the other day, and I was like, yo. And then I got it again, like another day, and I was like,
Yeah.
yeah, this is it.
Do they put a lot of meat on there on those ribs? I know like some places barely put any meat on their ribs.
Oh, bro, yeah. I mean,
Put some meat on it.
it was good for me.
Word.
I don't know though. Yeah, I'm like,
Take a
oh.
pic.
Nah, I didn't. I will next time.
I think
but I'm a big ribs guy too, so I
I
love
think
Yeah.
Landon's burger is home cooked. What do you guys think?
Yo,
Low key.
whatever it is, it looks fire.
I don't think
bro.
I
Look at
don't
the
think they
cheese
give you
coming off that
plates.
thing.
That's
Yeah.
Smashburger.
Yo, that's so true. All right, order up, Landon. Here's your burger on a plate.
Storm Player, what are you eating in there? Is that a hot dog? Oi, Johnny Stew's big thingy mac and cheese, bro. I could just slam that right now. That mac and cheese,
yo,
bro.
You already know it, Sam. You know I slammed that down, bro.
Yo, mac and cheese is probably my favorite food.
Yeah, right. I love the steak times mac and cheese combo. It's like hella good.
Yeah, thanks.
You already know, Sam. You know how to slam that down.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the only way to eat it, bro.
Yeah.
What up, Lim Marcus? Hello, everybody. First time trader here. Wish me luck for 0.01 buy position. Good luck, sir.
Best of luck to you, man.
Good luck, soldier. Up, Hedwig.
Hey, yo, I would love to see a pullback for this wick though.
Yes, sir.
And 9.
4-hour close coming up. Oh, let me get delete that.
Facts.
Yep.
Big 4-hour close.
Look at
Yeah,
that.
there's a few areas here too, right? You got this level right here, right? And then you also have this level here. That is concerning. So we want to see how we close here, because price can play off both these levels here. So if we can get a closure above this top line here, that'd be awesome. If not, it's not a big deal. We'll still wait on the lower time frames to give us our clue. But yeah, I can see price, if we do close nice bullish like that, continue up here. So this is our new range that we have if we do get a closure above, and that's what is that? That's yeah, 100 plus pips. So we'll see. Gotta stop telling the market my ideas. Feel like feel like somebody's watching me. Yeah, I don't know.
That's my favorite song. Remember that.
Shiro been telling me. It's been telling me to chill.
I was thinking pullback too, but
Exposing
like,
all the gems. Look at John's like, I would really love a pullback. Price starts pushing up. Kick this thing. DXY fallen? Yeah, I bet. Yeah, nice.
Ooh, Portugal
the
food.
knives. Oh, let me give the stream a like here. I'll be number 501. Yeah, hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. And if you're not subbed to the channel, man, we are almost to 30. Like, I think it's doable. I think it actually is doable here.
I believe so as well.
27.5. We were just at 26.5 last time I looked, so I think it's doable. Yeah, if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, come on, sub to the channel. Find yourself a home here for 2024. It's time to get off of 9 different strategies and 11 different indicators and coming into the markets confused every day. We can help you out. Settle down here. Stick to one system. If you like our culture, if you like our vibe, if you like the way we trade, man, just settle down here, plant your stake, and stick to it for a year. You will look back and be like, wow, I'm a totally different trader with a true track to run on. Right? I don't want to see you guys spinning in circles anymore.
We need to start trusting the process. People too as well. I feel like everyone just, if you don't get results like as quick as possible, you quit. We need to trust the process and just lock it in for the long term.
Yeah, facts. We're gonna be introducing the harmonic scanner this year. Yep. only the boot camp got that. The best part, right, Alexandros? We killed it. We had our indicator specialist come in too. We didn't spill the beans on that one.
What up, Paraz?
Hey, yo.
Good, brother.
Yo, Paraz, Pete the G, Leo's in the house. Damn. All the homies
Shout out all
showing
y'all
up.
for being here.
All the boys showing up.
Facts.
Well, there you go. You got your cells there on GJ. So those were the cells we were looking for. Closed below and drove down very nicely there. Yeah, what time was that? NY open? Oh, no. Hold on. What are we doing here?
What do you mean? BJ's in range.
Wait. Why do I have... What even happened here?
What?
Oh, yeah, we were looking for fake outs. That's right. Oh, yeah. Got it. All right, yeah, so
Still
this thing's still
trading GJ?
ranging. Yeah. Nah, GJ was like so yesterday.
Yo, facts. I want to throw GJ out, but like I don't at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Weird.
Juice box here. This was news though. Yep. All right, 55 seconds here for gold closures. 4 hour coming to a close. Looking good. Let's move this down. We have this 1 hour resistance here. And yeah, if we can get a nice pullback here, right, on the 4 hour to create a bottom wick, then that should be good for us to go, right? We need a little bit of a support to form on the 15, maybe somewhere down here at like 2034, and then we are off to the races. Oh, John Wayne, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I got you. I'm gonna look for your name. How to buy bulk steaks? You gotta go to butcherbox.com. Butcherbox.
I'm about to start hitting up the butcher.
Yeah, so 4 hour closed. We need a bottom wick though. Yeah, bottom wick, and we should be straight. What that bottom wick would, what I would like to see, that bottom wick, I'd like to see a 15 support representing that bottom wick. And then we could take our buys probably from down here at 34 and not have to wait for a closure above. But we can't do that unless we actually get 15-minute candles to print looking like this. So let's say this is, 9 a.m. to 9:15. And then, 9:15 and then probably 9:30 come up and create a support. Or you may just come do something like this, right? You don't need multiple candles. You may just get a support formed like this on the 15. And then I'd be cool with taking buys here at 9:30 for blast off. Something like that. So you got 9:15 right here. 9:15. 9 to 9:15, 9:15 to 9:30, 9:30. Onion play, anticipating the 30-minute and 1 hour and 4 hour to move bullish and fill the range here. Clip it, TK. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we'll see. Don't really want to enter right off here though, because we didn't close above anything here on the 1 hour, right? This 1 hour resistance is right here. It's a little bit in our way, so we need a support. Yeah, we either need a support or a closure above. Oh, damn, you guys are eating ice cream already? Oh, they...
Oh. Better be protein ice cream.
If a pack runner forms near or close to support, would you take it? Yeah, pack runners are really good during high times of volume. Typically we see them at 8:15, right? Look, same thing like here, right? It was like 8:30 though, but typically we see them around the open. So yeah, if you kind of create a support and then break the low on like the, let's say like the 15-minute time frame, then yeah, that's gonna be a good idea. Yeah. Roger that. Best way to avoid fake outs and versus a breakout, yeah. One of them is this overextended breakout. This is one thing we learned about this year where, you know, if you're going to take a buy, right, you really want to take a buy as close as possible to a support level, right? So if we're looking at this picture we got here, right, price is currently sitting right here. If we're going to enter, well, if we're going to enter, the entry's got to be up here, but where's the nearest support level? So let's search for it, right? Right here, right? So that's the nearest support. So I think we're pretty high up, right? That's a pretty good distance at that point. So what I'd like to see off of these overextended breakouts is a new support. That's one way you could avoid a fake out. The other way is that if you're going against a daily bias, like if we took sells here, what you want to see is more so of a break and retest, right? Break and retest to that level to continue down, and then you take your sells below here. Otherwise, you can break and then come back into the range, right, for price to move. Oh, I don't know what's up with these arrows. To move up there. So always keep in mind where you are, right? Are you going against a daily higher trend? If you are, wait for this break and retest. If you're not, like we are right now, we're going with the bias, but our buys are looking like they're up here and the support's down here. We need a new support. So we need a new support formed here, and then we could take our buys off of that support to move up. Make sense? That right there is a beautiful bottom wick. Beautiful. You guys are funny. Y'all funny. Where's Alexandru at? That boy was up. Yo, that man's up 24/7. I sent the signal out last night. Boom. My man threw a little tornado on it right away. I'm here.
Yeah.
Yo, that boy
That's
comes
funny.
sweeping through.
My man ready.
My man was sitting back at all the quaking yesterday, like. Yeah.
Like, yeah.
I do cooking. Johnny boy iced out. Yeah, yo.
Hey. You know?
You know.
Excuse me?
You
Excuse
know.
me?
You know. Sam Capital must be waking Joe Biden up over there. Joey B.
Sam
9 a.m.
Capital's
What's
trying
going
to-
on, bud? Oh, man. All right, give me 1 sec. BRB. Hey, chat. Hit some push-ups with me. Let's go.
Yeah, I just said some too. Yeah, for waiting, might as well do some push-ups, feel me? Compound effect, y'all. Compound effect is real. And it gives you something to do while waiting. John, sir, are you in college? No. I'm not in college. Definitely not. Learning so much. Awesome. Yeah, these live streams are legit like a course. You can learn so much.
TTE College.
Am I a dropout? No, I didn't go to college. No. Yeah, it's the TTE college.
Compound effect, baby.
Yes, sir.
It's the real deal. Ask that lady who ate that big old bacon pizza this morning for breakfast with 2 Mountain Dews to wash it down.
Facts, yo, facts.
Whoa, this dude's Stephen B. How did you know that? Man put 35 push-ups. That's
yo.
exactly how many I did.
Damn, dude. He's probably like a tech guy. Probably see through your computer.
Yo. Shiro, tap the server. Wakanda out.
Wait, what's up, John Wayne? I don't think I understand.
I'm John Wayne.
I like your name though.
Johnny said no, college. Don't worry, he will never be back. He's gone. All right. Let's see what GJ did.
Appreciate
here.
that.
Nothing here. Let's see NASDAQ. We still moving up or we coming back down? Yeah, hasn't really done much here just yet. So we are above this level here. I think the same thing is kind of necessary here. Kind of need a little bit of a pullback. Same thing with NASDAQ, right? You also did close below resistance here. So I would expect some sort of a bottom wick on this 4-hour here. Yeah. US 30. Oh, US 30 really hasn't done much here. Nothing with the news, 30. Nothing. Damn.
You think NAS is better than US 30, right? I mean, from what we've seen.
I liked it better for me, I think, but either way, they both move good in NY Open. Why wouldn't we have quickly taken a short when gold hit resistance, then take a buy on the way back up? Yeah, that's a good question. So that I'm anticipating the bigger move up, right? So like I want to wait. So while it's doing that, that's really not my move. My move is the move when it like breaks the highs to move up in this situation right here. So I will just let that move go down. You know, I already kind of drew out what I wanted to see down here, so I'll just wait for that to print, and then I'll look to take my buys moving up. And if price does drastically continue to move down, then I'll eventually start looking for sells. But this move down is so unpredictable, right? Because there's really no, you know, price can move up from any point, right? We could have just came to here, or maybe we could have came to here or here, right? We just happen to come down to here. Hey, we might even come down to here. But at any point, this candle can flip bullish, right? And turn back around. So I don't want to be in on this type of move here. This is kind of going against the overall bigger ride. So yes, I'll just let this play out and then see what happens from there. But yeah, I understand the question. Why not scalp it?
That's a good sum to sample size, you know.
Yeah. In my sample sizing, this is what I've experienced. You know, the fact that it's unpredictable, that it could come here and turn, that could be your entry, right? Turn around right at your entry, or maybe you're 2-3 pips in profit and it turns around. Maybe you're 5 pips and 10 pips in profit. So it's kind of unpredictable. So you don't really want to, sample size it for yourself. But yeah, out of my sample sizing, I never really liked that move.
Yeah, we need confirmations, like Nick said, like to know the probabilities are in our favor, right? If trading's about probabilities, we need to wait for confirmations to tell us the probabilities in our favor.
Yep.
Then we can jump in.
Hey Nick, I'm down 3% for the month. What's your advice? Have you been in that situation when you first started trading? Oh yeah, I was in that situation like last month. My advice is very simple, man. Just keep coming, showing up to the charts, looking for the next best trade setup. You know, if you keep looking at the next best trade, looking for the next best trade setup, it's not going to be the 1 or 2 trades, right? That is right in front of you. These 1 or 2 trades this isn't what you want to be focused on. You want to be focused on the next 50 to 100 trades, because that's what's going to give you the result on your edge, right? On your edge. So this is what tells the story, right? Not this. So that's why you never get caught up on 1 or 2 trades, because that's not enough to allow your system to play out, right? So it's all good. Like, your P&L isn't always going to go up like this either every month, right? Every month from all my experience, my P&L has gone like this, you know, like boom, like kind of like the markets, right? Like, you know, you just kind of take a couple wins, take a loss, take a couple wins, right? And that's how your P&L will kind of move up when you're just letting these probabilities play themselves out. So just don't get too caught up on these 1 or 2 trades right here in front of you. Just focus on taking the best A+ positions. And then over the course of 50 or 100 trades, your edge will present itself, and it'll look something like that. Did I get it? Yeah, like we got up here. Because again, gang, so you see the wins and losses. I didn't do anything different. I didn't do anything different to take those wins than I did to take those losses. I've come to the charts day in and day out this year, and I have just ran my edge. I've just done the same thing. The same thing I did to take a win is the same thing I did to take a loss, right? My job is just to follow that edge, and that edge will give me that, 80% win rate, right around, right? So yeah, that's typically what you'll see. But when you focus too much on these 1 or 2 trades that are in front of you, you can get very discouraged, because you could easily take 2, 3, even 4, 5 losses in a row at times, right? So you got to be prepared for that with your risk. But the way you stay mentally there is really by focusing on the next 100 trades. Tough to say, tough to do, but it's necessary. It's required. I don't want to baby you guys and be like, it's okay. It's like, nah, you gotta let probabilities play out. You gotta let your edge do the work there for you. A trader doesn't have to know what's coming next to point. So yeah, that's the other thing too. Like, a trader never has to know what's gonna happen next, right? Like, it doesn't take anything to put a trade on. So you do nothing special when you win a trade, because I can easily press sell right now for no reason at all, and price could drive down like this the minute I press sell, and I can make thousands and thousands of dollars. It didn't take any knowledge for me to do that, right? So understanding, like, that's not what trading is. Trading is having a plan, having a system in place, and that's where you become a professional, not by whether you win a trade or lose a trade. It's did you follow a trading plan? Do you have a concrete system in place? If you do, over time you're gonna see the results or the fruit of that system, right? So our system gives us like 75-80% win rate. That's probably where we're hanging out right now. We've been right in between there the entire year. So that's what I can expect on a yearly basis, right? If I continue to follow my plan. And then the hardest part comes with being disciplined to it. Because I'm telling you, gang, you sit here with us yesterday, you take 2 losses, and you go, damn. Let me open up my notebook. Okay, I remember taking notes on this indicator, blah, 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 blah. And then you switch the strategy, right? So you're not disciplined. You're not disciplined to it, because it's like 1 little loss or 2 losses can shake you out of it. And that happens to a lot of traders. And if you can just give it time to work out, that's all we've done, is just giving it time to work out, and it has worked out. But if you keep switching back and forth from like strategy to strategy because of your feelings and emotions, it most likely will never work for you, and you'll always be watching new traders come up, new traders on these podcasts. You're 35, this dude's 24, he's driving a Lambo. You're like, what the heck, and it's your discipline. It's your discipline that's keeping you away from your dreams and goals, where success doesn't matter what age you are, right? It just matters the laws of success. Do you follow them or do you not, right? If you follow them, you'll get rewarded. But if not, then most likely no cookie for you. No cookie,
that's
man.
that's so
You want
fat.
cookie or no cookie?
Hopefully people are taking notes right now. Because you're dropping facts.
Yep. Yep. Your plan doesn't seem to be working out. Why? Because we took 2 losses yesterday? Come on, man.
Man, what did he just say?
Yesterday's first day I trade live phone. Oh, nice. No cookie. All right, 15-minute coming downtown here. So 4-hour lows are coming in hot.
Coming in hot.
Did I take another loss after the live stream? Nah, after the live stream I shut it down. Yeah. Yeah, typically if I take 2 losses in a day, I'm usually done. Till the next day, come back fresh. If I take 2 wins, I'll keep going, you know, I'll keep going. As long as my setup shows up, I'll keep running it up, but if I do take 2 losses, I'm typically done. It doesn't happen often, but when it does, I'm like done for the day.
Just call it
Yeah.
done for the day. Go look at yourself in the mirror, smile, and love your life. And continue on.
Yeah, exactly. Got off the charts for a bit, hung out, played with the kids, you know, came back, looked at the trades when I was back in some sort of a logical state of mind and went over them and really didn't see much that we could have done differently there. So was just happy with that and just kept it moving. Yeah, I was just happy that we followed the plan.
That's it, right? That's all we can do.
Yep. Best loser wins. You guys, some of you guys read it, but you don't live it.
That is, that's fire.
You quote it, right? You post it on IG, but the problem is the living it, the actual action of it, doing it.
Facts.
I am looking for a sell. Yep. Yeah, we got 9:30 coming in hot here, ladies and gents. So we'll see where we at on this closure. But volume about to come in. Volume's actually in. Volume's here. Sam Capital's feeding the dog. Yeah.
Most likely.
GJ making a move. Let's see what NASDAQ's doing here. Holy! I said no retracement. 4-hour on the move here. Sheesh. Yeah. Next month we're gonna start trading this pair. Yeah, a lot of volume here in the NY session. Lots of volume.
I would have liked to see a pullback on NASDAQ.
Oh yeah, me too.
But yeah.
My thoughts on ICT. I've actually never looked into the strategy, so I really don't have thoughts. I do know that a lot of people use it and it seems to work well for a lot of people, so you know, that's what's up. But that's really all I know about it. I know it's a big name in the industry. I hear it talked about a lot, but I've actually never never you know, looked further into it. Yeah, we get that question a lot.
True.
ICT, man, they got like a army.
Right?
Yeah, man, got an army. Oh, nice, Dino. Yeah, what's good, Dino? How you doing, man?
Yeah, facts. You know, all traders can help each other psychologically.
Yeah. Hey, every strategy works. Remember, gang, the variable in all of this is you. It's me, right? It's can we work it? Can we be disciplined to it?
Goldie.
Goldie. 5-minute crane support. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. We got 5 minutes for NYSC here. What will we do? If remember, we're waiting for a 15-minute support to print, right? So if we do get that 15 support, we now have clean traffic to move up to anticipate the 4-hour move, right? So if this is going to be, if you do get a support, this will most likely be the bottom wick, and then 930 should drive us up. So this is your 4-hour bottom wick, right? What do we say about the candles here? That's going to be your bottom wick, and then this is going to be your move back up, and this is the move right here in which we'll participate in. This big candle here coming in at 930 or probably 945 because we still need the support to form. Other than that, if you close below the range here, I think you may start to drive down here. So we never broke oh, we did break the daily highs there. Yeah, we did break the daily highs with the news release, but just kind of pushed down since. So we'll see. We're still respecting 4-hour lows, and this candle can easily flip bullish and come all the way up to 2050 here. So we'll wait on that support. If this candle can close with no bottom wick too, that'd be great. And then we'll let 930 close, and then 945 will be our move. Yeah, otherwise, 30 closes below here, you may see a drive. All right, if this 30 can close below, then you may see a move down. Yeah, the daily doesn't have a bottom wick. Yeah, there's reasons for both here, man. You know, we can come down and make a low here too. That's why we want to be open for these sells as well, right? But we're preparing for both. Nothing's really clear at this moment, so we just gotta wait. This candle may even flip bullish, right? Close bullish there. TK, watch out, bro. Watch out. They're coming.
That guy TK, what up, TK?
Yeah, we never broke 4-hour lows though, so.
Or 30 or 1 hour.
Will we take buys if the 15 closes bullish? Yes. Yes, but if it doesn't, then we need another 15 close, right? So if that one doesn't give it to us, then we need the next one, right, to close bullish, and now we've got a support. So now we can move up. So this would be 930, right? And then this would be 945 here. The move yesterday was 945 was the bigger move, so we'll see what happens today. Do-do-do-do.
Johnny, how's that steak? Oh, that steak was amazing. Hit the spot.
What's up, Mr. Kraft? Yeah, nah, seriously. FX snipe. Side, they do the same thing to me. Bunch of haters.
For real.
Yeah.
Haters gonna hate.
Quaker's going quick.
Hurt people.
That's true. Hurt people, hurt people.
Yes, sir.
Hoping everyone has a great day. Hey, hoping you have a great day too, man. Great day.
Yeah.
Osama, oi! Right when Sam gets back, let's go. Oh, I didn't even hear it. There it is.
Let's go.
That's my boy. What up, Osama?
Oi! My
Osama.
boy.
What up, what up, what up? Osama, are you ready for 9:30?
You ready?
Boy gang.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Osama.
Osama. Oi.
All right, 13 seconds here, man. 13 seconds. So there's really nothing here for us. You know, the 15, this could move bearish here, but it's a very weak closure. So I don't think I'm too interested here. Let's see if we respect the high or not. But it's a very weak bearish close. Now we do have a lot of volume dumping in here. So there may be a wick fill, but there's also a possibility, being that we're still in the range and we're bullish, that we move up, right, and close like this. So we don't want to jump the gun on these sells here just yet. Oh, freaky candle here. Freaky, freaky.
Freaky Thursday. GJ, of course, closed with no bottom wick. Typical GJ.
Don is in a loss. Well, Don is a boss. Don is a boss, and bosses take losses, but they still come out on top because they top G's. And that's what Don should be Don G instead of Don V, because that boy's a top G. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, damn. This could be a packy right here. But I don't think I'm gonna take this in the range here, man. It's just a choppy range. I know we have volume coming in, but I don't want to get caught up here. Let's see how the 1 hour looks. 1 hour still open. Yeah, 30-minute close super weak.
Doesn't look
15-minute close super weak there, so.
Yeah.
One more 15-minute candle, 9:30. Oh wait. Sorry, 9:30.
Oh wait.
Yeah, it's 9:30. So what I'm thinking is we let this 15 close here, and we see where we're at. If we close below, then we should drive down. We did kind of grab a pack here, so it looks pretty decent now that it's breaking the lows to fill the wick, but there's no confirmation here for me. This in a choppy range still.
Yeah, I agree.
Same.
Because it's like, I don't know. If the 4 hour candle does want to come back down, but ideally right now it looks like the 4 hour candle's just making a bottom wick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Exactly.
Respecting that low.
I don't like the sales.
Do you, boo boo?
Hell no. Me no like
Do you,
sales.
Do you,
you,
chat?
boob?
I'm rooting you on. What do we call it? 930 what? 930 cheat code. Yeah, 930 cheat code.
That cheat code, yo.
930 strategy, yeah. The cheat
Wall
code.
Street's going crazy right now. Feel me? They're working over there.
They working.
Bro, GJ bleed.
Dude, I
DJ
know.
bleeding
Just
with no bottom.
goner, dude. Just,
That daily candle was crazy.
just look at that. Would you look at that, chat? Just look at it. GJ
back,
on
yo?
the move, man.
Let me see what happened.
There was some heavy news yesterday, I think, on the pound, right? Yeah, wow. Look at this daily time frame here. Holy. Sheesh.
Like yellow folder.
This wasn't bad here,
Run
too.
Crazy.
Celery play. Nine 930 still working. Still working here. Yeah, we got 10 minutes.
Not dirty clicking. Waking. Holy. You saved your account? Oh, that's a W. Yeah, we're just in this nasty, ugly range right now. Never want to trade in consolidation. Just disgusting. Especially on that 30 is consolidation. What does lack of wick mean? Well, a wick equals a range, right? So if we're looking for sells and there's no bottom wick on the bearish candle, that means there's no range to go down, you know, or it makes it a 50-50, right? And at TT we don't take 50-50s, right? We want to take 80-20s. So yeah, we want to make sure the probability is in our favor. So yeah, that's what a wick equals a range. So if there's no wick, there's no range. Doesn't mean it won't drive right in that direction. It just means it goes from an 80-20 to a 50-50. And you know, we want to listen, right? It's this, the way we trade is price action. We read candles, right? And reading candles is a language, and we want to listen to what the candles when they're speaking to us. And those are signs of the candles, right? Just speaking to us, saying there's no, all right, no wick. The candle's saying no range, you know, no range to go down. So we got to listen. Hopefully that answered your question. HE, do it. Hey, yo, what up, Scott? Morning, brother. Good to see you.
That's a Scott, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yo, Scotty boy.
Scotty boy.
Oi!
What up,
Let's
what
go.
up?
Scott's in the
Oh, man.
house.
I see Scott creeping in the stream every once in a while, but the days that he was, I wasn't here, bro.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
right.
yeah.
That's right.
Tough, bro.
What up,
I
Scotty
seen him in
boy?
Discord, actually, I think.
Yeah, I love seeing Scott. My man.
That's OG.
OG.
Why is my chart frozen?
Someone's hacking you.
Oh,
No lie.
interesting.
Damn.
What's this?
Maybe
we're moving
refresh it.
now. Okay, we're moving now. Oh, maybe price just wasn't moving.
It wasn't even up.
Yo, someone's like, yo, my FTMO's froze. I'm like, yo, hold on, let me check mine real quick. Holy.
The hell is happening? Trading view be quaking. And
Quake.
ACAP.
If your terminal freezes up, that means big move is coming. Typically.
Big move incoming.
For real. Oh, Luke.
Sounds about right, yeah. Nah, I've had price freeze on me before, bro.
So what was that? That was about like 13, 15 pips maybe. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
but I
look.
didn't like it for the same reasons that you didn't either.
Yeah.
Like,
Who are we to trading consolidation?
True. Same trades at the Oval Office.
yeah, we do a little trading at the Oval Office. We do a little bit of signing bills.
A little bit.
Sam's main job is to wake Joe Biden up at 10:15 a.m.
Yeah, y'all want that
That's his own
2,000 leverage, 2001 leverage. Send a bill to the desk. I'll sign it off.
Sam can trade in the president's office because the president's sleeping all the time. He's rebooting.
He's charged.
That's funny.
Guard.
Does he even tweet? I don't even think he tweets.
Nah, bro.
Probably not.
We need Trump back. That dude doesn't have Twitter. Come on.
He's like, I'm an old guy. What's Twitter? Best way to stay out of drawdown, stay out of the range.
Yeah. Look for the best trade, bro. Simple.
Yeah, facts. Like, I'll leave this go, bro. If this thing comes and breaks down and starts bleeding, awesome.
Awesome.
But it's just like not even. It's not worth it, bro. It's not good.
Yeah. Yeah, 4 minutes here to the
Remember-
closure. 4 minutes.
Remember what the goal is, right? The goal is not to make money today, but the goal is to focus on the best trade. That's what we're focused on.
Stephen B.
He's outside the White House right now. feeding them bread. My grandma used to
He's
do
like
this when I
singing
was a
that
kid.
song you were singing, bro. Pressure.
Pressure.
He starts to whistle.
Country gets worse and worse every day, and then Joe Biden's doing that.
Jay Bizzle. Here come the 4-hour lows here. We'll see what happens.
We coming from the lows, dude.
Coming for the lows.
Is he still breathing? Barely. Barely.
Last couple breaths.
Yeah, what is that from? That's from like an old meme, bro. Barely. I'm legally blind. Something like that.
Oh my god, I'm not even sure. Sounds familiar.
Bro, there was like an old meme I seen the other day, and I forgot all what it was. So I wanted to ask you, Nick, if you've ever seen it. You probably definitely have, bro. It was like I don't even remember.
I was getting ready to brace like your big explanation real quick. Like, I don't even
Yeah, I
remember.
ain't gonna lie, I don't remember what it was, bro. It's like something from Vine.
Yo,
That's
was it like Lance Stewart? I remember Lance Stewart had
I
mega.
have no idea.
You remember the D's nuts?
Yeah,
Bro, the day that came out, I woke up to Nick waking me up to that sound. Nick was doing that in my face.
Bro, that
Yeah, I know.
just hearing that brings back memories, bro. I some kid got roasted in a class. Like I was in like 8th grade, I think, when that came out, bro. And
Yeah.
we were in like algebra class, and the teacher was like, "So what is y equals mx plus b?" And he just screams out, "These nuts!" The whole rest of the class was the teacher roasting the kid, bro. He's sitting there crying and everything, bro.
Yo, that came out mad long ago. Sheesh.
It was so funny, bro.
Yeah.
All right, 1 minute here for a closure on the 15. So it looks like we are coming for those 4-hour lows here. Will we smoke them or what? My FTMO started moving again. Let's go. W.
You got motion.
We got that 30-minute support too at 28.
Yeah. Oh, candle closing, no wick there, or about to. 40 seconds here on this candle. Yeah, this may close with no bottom wick here.
Coming for the lows.
Yeah, 4-hour lows are right here. Well, we smoked the lows. Oh, wow, we did take the lows out. Okay. So, yeah, we took the lows out, but look, this candle here is going to close with no bottom wick. 10 seconds.
Yeah, right at the support.
Running into that support right here.
Yeah, that 30 support.
5, 4,
Oh.
2, 1. Pulled back. Yeah, we smoked the lows there. I'm good on these sells. I don't like these. Got a major, well, not a major, but got a support here on the 30. We were rejecting it. 15 may come back up here. Yeah, if this thing wants to go, I'm gonna just let it run. Don't really like this at all.
Straight.
Most of my pips.
Yeah.
No FOMO. No FOMO because I'm not focused on making money.
Oh, wow. You got slipped there, too. Sheesh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't like this at all.
What the hell?
It's nasty.
Wow. Oh.
Sheesh. Yeah, we would have got slipped heavy there, too.
Oh, yeah.
Probably good like 12 pips.
Sheesh.
What will NFP have in store for us here tomorrow? But there's the support right there, tapped on the 4-hour. Yeah, no, this is not my move here. Oh, damn, what's going on? Yeah, nothing here, man. Nothing here. 1 hour just engulfed everything to the downside. 4-hour broke the lows here. 15 didn't really look the greatest here. No real top wick either. So, yeah, just nothing there. But look, if we push down and we create support, now we got clean traffic.
Now we can ride it up.
All right, so we'll see. We tapped into that support. Let's see what happens from here. Yeah,
Those 4-hour lows breaking previous lows though.
1 hour may pull back for us, right? So another leg down here at like 10 a.m. or something if we close pretty strong bearish on the 1 hour. Holy! That
I
was a
just
nice
wish our
push.
4-hour candle had more of a top wick. I still feel like it wants to come up. We could find some support.
Yeah, yeah, no, especially that we're coming into this range now here. See what we do right here. Yeah, did the daily make a bottom wick actually? Yo, if the daily made a bottom wick, we may... No, it did not make a bottom wick yet. Did the daily flip?
I'm gonna check.
Who? Oh yeah, I think we did. We did flip bearish real quick.
We did, yeah.
Chat, anybody was watching that?
I'm not going to lie. Yeah, like if you put a line on it, like right where the daily low is, and
Yeah, I
go
see
to
that.
lower time frames. Interesting.
Wow, dude, even fake outs right here are not bad right in this level here. Because if the daily wanted to come down to just create a bottom wick, so we come down and we kind of either close below or wick below. Something like this. Right, where it gives the daily a little bit more of a bottom wick and then it fakes out back up. And now the daily has a bottom wick to continue driving up. And now we got clean traffic here. So we'll see. We'll see if we can do it. We already had that wick. Yeah, I think we just came down. I think that was the original wick right there. And then we just came down and re-tapped it. That's what I mean. If we can get a stronger push down, that'd be great. Like almost tap it into this wick right here. Then you got a nice daily flip, creates a wick, and then starts driving back up. Or we just wait for range 2 sells, right? We just wait for something to happen here for us, just like we planned this morning. Daily got no bottom wick. Maybe daily did coming down to make the bottom wick. Yep, that's definitely an idea here. For sure. Alexandru, oh, never sleeping. Damn, did you fall asleep, bro? We were looking for you earlier.
It was not.
What's up, Anta? Anta's in the house, everyone. Say hello to Anta.
What up, Anta?
Let's go. Be water, my friend. Let's get it. Yeah, I feel you, the lazy trader. Yeah, I feel you too, Hazza. I feel you too. Yeah, price been a little wacky here the last 2 days. I mean, look, right? We're just kind of consolidating here.
A little tricky too.
Yep. So right off that support, man, we rejected. See what happens from here. Did we get nothing on the 5 or anything either? Oh, got kicked out? Nah, we're gonna get you back in. We'll get you back. We'll get you back. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. I will visit the Discord in a little bit. I don't know what's going on. Tornado. It's a tornado emoji.
I like that.
Yeah. We'll see
I like
what's,
that.
we'll see what's up. Do, 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 do. Tornado. Yeah, so just waiting here now. Wow, GJ is looking good. This was a nice celery play, I believe, too. Yeah, on the 1 hour. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Nothing is stopping the bleed on pound yen. Look at that daily candle. Wow. Haven't seen a daily candle like that on pound yen in probably 3 months, 4 months. Sheesh.
Maybe GJ's coming back.
GJ's not leaving.
GJ ain't leaving, I don't think.
Not leaving. It's leaving. GJ's out of here.
Bro, GJ gone.
Alright. So yeah.
GJ's a goner.
It's been that
Oh,
that
dang.
volume from just today. GJ been saving that up all year, bro, just to do that one move today.
Yo, for real.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, NASDAQ was waiting on support.
GJ rugged. Most the jab, yeah, it happens. It's a part of being a streamer, you know. Yes, sir, Scotty boy. Man, Scott's been with us since day one, chat. Scott has seen it grow.
I
Yes, sir.
was there when there was 5 people.
5 people. Let's go back to day one chat. It was like Scott, George,
There's
Green, and
Scott.
John. That was my chat, gang. Hey, so any of you guys have any questions here today? Oh, man.
Yeah, Nick, how's your day going?
Gotta start somewhere.
Oh yeah, but those are the streams where we were dropping gems, bro. Had to. No one in the chat.
Gang. Oh, wow. Look at this pull back up here on NASDAQ now. 4-hour juicer. Yeah, wait for that support to be formed. That's all that's happening here. Price come up, come down, probably create a support to continue up for this 4-hour. And gold, oh man, gold is just, yeah, blah, blah, blah.
I feel like all pairs need pullbacks. Definitely.
Scotty boy.
Oh man.
Where's Rafi at? He's battling the United States air.
He's trying to breathe air.
He's like, get this shit off me.
He's
still in it.
busy in the DMs right now answering some of you guys from yesterday. He's doing breathing tactical techniques here with you guys. In and out. You guys forgot how to breathe
It's
there.
just a loss.
Yeah, some people are so quick to expose their weakness. It's horrible, horrible. But you know, if we were in an auditorium, they wouldn't do that, right? You know that for sure. They would sit down, keep it quiet. But because they're behind that little username, you know, the keyboard ninjas, bring out the nunchucks. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
They're the website warriors.
Yeah, what was it again? The what was it? The website warriors.
Warriors. I just said website warriors.
Yo, the website warriors are out. They're all over, man. They jump from stream to stream. They type W in the chat when you win, but man, when you lose, ooh. Oh yeah.
Yeah, bro. I see y'all that be spamming L's too, and act like you aren't.
Act like I don't remember who did it.
Yeah.
I see it all, chat. I see it all.
Just know we know.
Just know I got eyes everywhere. Rafi's in Mount Everest. Yeah, Rafi's walking up Mount Everest right now in his boxers, doing Wim Hof breathing techniques.
Box breathing.
While he's in Gold Cell or something right now.
Yeah, he's up 300 pips. Just
Yo.
breathe air.
Yo, for real.
Yeah, the Quakers are gone, so they must be with him on Mount Everest.
He took him up top.
That's funny.
That's funny, bro.
All right, what was I doing over here?
Blessed and thankful. Bring out the whole ocean.
Dominic.
Oh man,
Yeah.
Breathe air.
act like you new to the internet. We're explaining trolling. Hey, we like to troll.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Do a little trolling.
Trolling is good. You start sending
You're
the
not that
voice
guy.
notes like Sam in the Discord, yeah. Dude, if I see something I like, I'll just fire off. Oh,
Oh,
Yo, we need a sound of Sam saying "Oi."
hey, we need some more McGregor and
plenty.
some more Tate up here.
true. Let me
More
know.
Tate and more
Yeah.
who?
Let me get on
McGregor.
that.
Yo, facts. Yeah, Tate is a clown. Hi, boss.
He's like,
Someone actually brought up bring out the whole ocean. Forgot about that one.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
Right,
Tell them to
DJ
bring out
Khaled.
the whole ocean.
Need more Tate, Khaled, and McGregor.
It's gonna be like Bink. Leave that up top. All right. So yeah, so we tapped into support, closed right at support. 15-minute may give us a bullish support here, right? So we'll just wait on that. We'll see if that comes about. If not, then maybe we'll call it a day. Maybe we won't. Maybe we'll wait for another candle. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll take it candle by candle here, chat. Hold on. Let me grab my phone real quick.
Yo, these tape videos are comedy, bro. Yo, am I the only one here?
Nah, you good?
Oh, okay. I just look back at the stream and I see no cams. That's funny, bro. Yo, the clip from where he goes, "You're broke." I just see the whole thing. He's like, imagine. He's like, cooking has to be the most negative ROI event you can do. He's like, oh, let me grab onion. You're broke. That's what that's from.
Damn, yo. Tate's gonna make everyone feel like terrible cooking dinner. You're broke. I wake up and count my blessings.
Yeah, that's a banger, bro.
Right?
When that comes on and I'm in the whip, it
Yeah,
goes up on 2 wheels.
Thanks. You know we bopping.
Yeah.
That's a fire song. Word. Song. I think that song's from like long ago, like 4 years ago.
Oh.
Go Sandman.
Let's see. Am I taking sells off the 30-minute? No, I'm not, Tommy, because we're right here at support, so I don't feel comfortable taking a sell right at support here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how this 15 closes, and if it does close like pretty strong bullish, creating a support, then I may take an entry to move back up and clean this range up here. So that's kind of like what I'm looking at as of right now. Other than that, if we do get some sort of a closure back below, we now officially have a new resistance here, right? So let's say this candle closes bullish, next candle closes bearish below. We've got a new resistance, and then we could take our sells potentially coming down.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, other than that, no sells right here, because if we run into this area, that could be very problematic for us. That could be a problem. Yeah. Yo. Yo, you got 11th hour. You're funny, bro. That's hilarious. Let's see your. Oh, I like this. 11th hour. That's fire. Fire, fire.
11th hour.
Yeah, sometimes I look at your guys' YouTube channel, see what you got going on. Problems. My whole life's a problem. Oh. I like that logo you got. It's pretty sick.
Hey, TK, let's go. Computer back in progress.
Oh, hey, that's what you like to see.
No, I like your I have a very special set of skills, and we will find you.
Yeah, that's a good movie, bro.
Loss is 35. Not. Oh yeah, we gotta switch that too. Let me do that right now. Overlay OBS.
Yes, sir. We solution thinkers here.
Win rate. Thanks for reminding me there. Perfect. He is the hero of the day.
The other day.
What's your thoughts on having a diary book? Highly recommend it.
Hell yeah.
Wish I would have started earlier.
Track your progress.
Damn, what's my favorite film of all time? Sheesh. Ah, man, if I try and think of that, my mind might explode right now. I think I've answered like, what, 500 questions here today? Sheesh. I have to filter through all the movies right now? You're killing me, man. You're killing me, Dominic.
Man, favorite film. It's tough.
That's tough. That's tough. Hey, do they even make movies anymore? Is the movie theater like even? Is that still like a thing? I don't even know.
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
if that
it is.
even still goes down.
Yeah.
In humanity
you know
here.
what's crazy too is that it was open on Thanksgiving.
What the
I was
hell?
like, there's nothing open on Thanksgiving. Well, except for the casinos. That's where I went. And then next to the casino is the movie theater, and it was packed, bro. I was like, what are they doing in there?
What the hell? Who goes to a movie on Thanksgiving?
It better have been good.
I think every movie they make now is like a remake of like another movie.
Yeah.
Every game too, bro.
Yeah, that too.
Oh, facts.
Sam, when was the last time you hit leg day? Shit. Shit.
Yo, that's why we work on Zoom, bro. You can't see these legs, B.
You'll never see us in person.
You see me in person, I got like these little pencil legs going on.
If you want, I do legs like once a week, bro.
Yeah,
So,
I did legs
it
yesterday.
gets in me sweating like crazy, bro. I don't know why.
Legs make you not want to do them, but you know you gotta do them.
Yeah. I like it. Get them done. I used to do them on Monday. Just get it out of the way.
Oh, yeah.
Zoltan. Yo, where's our boy Steven?
Stephen B.
No, there's Stephen B. Stephen B's always popping up when I'm saying like Steven or thinking something. He's like, boom. Hey, look at the guy. Did legs yesterday, man. Oh my god. Are you my
Legs.
twin? Damn, I forget his name. I forgot his last name. I think it begins with an H. He was a big movie guy. He knew every movie we talked about. I think he still plugs in here. Yeah.
Nah, bro. What's your favorite movie though? Like legit Fast Furious?
Oh, Fast and Furious 1, the original one.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah, that may be it.
That's a good movie. Yeah, I like that.
I like Too Fast
The
and
OG
Furious.
Fast and Furious movies are good.
Yeah.
My favorite movie is Full Metal Jacket.
Oh,
Never seen that, to be honest.
Yeah.
that's gory.
I gotta check that out. Sounds very good.
It's like the first, like, I think it's like 10, 15 minutes of the movie. That's all you gotta watch, bro. It's so funny. I
Yeah.
can find it on YouTube, bro.
What's it called?
Full Metal Jacket.
Alright,
It's like about some, like, soldiers.
My dad liked that one.
Yeah, that was a good movie, bro.
Full Metal Jacket.
Gunnery Sergeant Hartman.
You know what I really liked? I liked Saving Private Ryan. That was fire. Might not be the best to watch though, but
What's my favorite baseball team? The Yankees. Let's
Yo,
go,
in,
Yankees.
yo, I heard Yanks got a stud.
I'll be honest.
Another brother.
I have no idea who plays in baseball anymore. I don't know anybody in any sport. I know like Kyrie Irving, LeBron James, Kevin Durant, and that's the league. I have no
Michael
idea
Jordan.
who's playing what anymore.
We'll hit up some Yankee games this summer, Nick.
Let's go, Yankees. All right, what are we going to do here? 15 closure coming up in 2 minutes. Oh, McGregor's running for president of Ireland. I've seen that.
That's crazy. That dude's a clone now.
I like turtles. Yeah, Alele likes turtles too.
I like
She's
Turtle.
becoming very interested in turtles. Oh, damn!
Oh,
Sam Tate in
yeah,
the building.
We're taking a crib tour, boys.
Hey yo, let me see this.
Sandrew Tate.
Damn, that's sick.
That's Sandrew
Bro,
Tate
I
right
just
there, bro.
found this. in our
Stop playing.
messages, John, I sent you this like 2 months ago. I was like, yo, use this one. I'm putting it on, bro.
Sick. That's the best one to use if you're gonna use anything.
It fits.
Sam Drew Tate in the house, bro. That looks a lot
Oh, man.
better. You look way more comfortable in that environment than you do in the White House.
Yeah, I got dark mode.
The
House.
White House, it looks like you keep looking up, making sure Creepy Joe ain't underneath the desk or something. You're on high alert in that White House over there, bro.
Underneath the desk, yeah. You just look down, this dude's underneath. Like, whoa,
Oh, sorry, I'm just looking for my glasses.
so weird.
Yo.
Sam Drew, no quick.
Bro.
Battle stuff.
Congrats from Portugal. Hey, Portugal's in the house. Let's go.
Yes, God. Someone else gotta wake him up now, bro.
Yeah, it's
Facts,
already 10 a.m. He's still sleeping. Come on.
I dipped.
He dipped. Wow, we're not doing anything here. Consolidating on the 5 here. Really struggling at this support here. This 15 minutes gonna close in 20 seconds. Not looking like a healthy support at all. I'll stick around for 10:30, but then that'll probably be my cutoff. Our last trade, I believe, was at 10:30, right? I think it was. Yeah, last trade was at 10:30, somewhere over here. I forget.
That was like 2 days ago.
Right here. Celery play.
Money.
So, or yeah, our last win actually. So yeah, so we'll see what happens here at 10:30, but nothing for me now on the 15 close here. Close way too weak for me to do anything.
Yeah, Travis.
Oh,
Yo,
Travis,
Sam,
yeah,
drop some quotes.
Travis comments on the Zoom because it's too. Yeah, we can't show these comments publicly. We might get banned from YouTube. Too much truth.
Yo, facts.
Yeah, the truth.
Dude's gonna
gonna
come
watch
for
it.
us.
You don't wanna watch this? Yeah, that's comedy. You gotta say every time you say something, FBI, I'm joking.
Oh, facts.
So look, if this 15 right here closes, let me move this chat back below, then there may be an opportunity for us to take sells, right? Other than that, I want to see if the 30 is going to close strong bullish and make a decent support here. And if we don't get anything, if it just looks like this, then we'll just call it a day here. We close up business.
Close up shop. You come back tomorrow. Same mentality.
Either that or in an hour or two.
Yeah, forgot London.
I'm not leaving.
closed. Or we could just stay on the desk all day.
Because we are day traders, right? That means we should be trading for the day, all day.
Yeah,
Oh
watch
no,
it
actually, I
sleep.
gotta. Hey yo, I'm jumping on Zoom with my mentor at 11 a.m.
That's fire.
We ready? We ready?
My man's hype.
Yes, sir. We gonna do a yearly review in all areas.
Oh, yeah,
Get some
dude,
advice. I got some questions.
Hell yeah, man. Student of life.
Yes, sir. Nick has killed my quick trigger finger. Hey, got the patience now. Patience. Yeah, exactly. Joe Fargo. I didn't work for him. I worked with him. He kind of took me under his wing, and he was a mentor in in the network marketing business that I had. And he's a top G. Yeah. Triple OG.
Yeah, landed. London closed at 11:30 a.m.
What? Really?
11:30.
I thought it was 10.
Oh, no. Nah. Hold on, I'll send you something, Sam.
Ooh, you got. Oh yeah, it does. I'm looking at the baby pips, tools, Forex market hours.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember
this. Oh, this I never knew this thing, bro. I think I've seen TK talk about it. We got a green light on the stop sign right now for volume.
He did it. Major Holt.
Yeah, it says, bro, we're at the peak.
Yo, Sam's looking fly. This guy look like a new man in that crib over there. Let's go.
Sam, you do look good, bro.
Yo, appreciate it. Yo, you gonna come out this weekend?
I want it, dog.
Come up to the dark mode crew.
Nice. I'll be over there eventually. I'll come visit you in PA soon.
Let's do it. Yeah, that'd be dope.
Count on it.
Who's behind me? I hope nobody.
There should not be anyone standing behind me currently.
Yeah, I ain't turning around either.
Nah, if you're in the Tate Mansion though, you know you're strapped. You're chilling.
Yeah, I got a sword.
You got cameras everywhere. You got a sword underneath your bed.
Got a samurai.
I remember Tate like explaining all the weapons he had in his room.
Gang, there's no point in coming in the stream and saying Don's in drawdown. Like, who cares? Like,
Acting like you've never been in drawdown before.
like that's how rare it is that you come over here and tell us about it. Like, dude, it's traders going drawdown. I don't get what some of you guys think. Some of you guys have no clue what trading is all about. Zero.
Right. It's like drawdown's part of the game. It's totally normal. What you mean?
You're broke!
Come on. Drawdown's normal. $30K drawdown's crazy. I'm telling you, gang, there's levels to this. There's levels. A lot of people think they're on certain people's level, or those people are on their level, but I'm telling you, there's levels to the game. What you think is big, someone else may think is little, right? Right? The dude is killing it. The dude has been killing it for 4 years. Like, that's the thing, is that you're watching, right? You're watching him because he's the guy killing it.
Yeah, and it's one trade too. It's one trade.
Yeah, it's one trade.
I'm assuming.
I'm telling you, gang, no need for it. There's really not. Especially come here in our chat. I mean, we don't, you know. I see people asking me what I think. It's like, what do I think? I'm thinking about what I'm looking at here right now. I'm not thinking about, I don't even know what's going on over there. I'm here to listen to English. Hey, you got it. Stop pocket watching. Yeah, you guys know what you guys know how we look at you guys, right? Hold on. Haven't brought this one out in a minute. You guys know what's coming. Yeah. Mr. Squiggly. We got a name for guys like you. We call you guys, when you bring up those comments, this is what we see. This is what we think you look like. Hey guys, Don's drawdown. I'm watching both streams right now,
Yeah.
but I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing. Can someone fix my eyes? Yo, telling you, gang, you're only shooting yourself in the foot. Yeah, man.
Why are you gossiping?
I'm trying to focus, but it's not seeming to work. Come on, man. Don't be squiggly eyes here. You watching me on this eye, you watching someone else on this eye, but you ain't doing nothing. You're frozen.
Think about it.
You're pointing at yourself and saying, look, this is what I look like. See his finger? So anytime you guys make those comments, this is literally what I think you look like. Currently, right now, sitting at your desk. Tweaking right now. Trying to figure out how to get your eyes back in place.
Just look at it, right? From this perspective, right? Like, Don's got 30K to blow and you're gossiping over that? Like, well, we gotta grow.
To look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Gotta call you guys out. Hating on my boy. Remember, you want to stay away from these three things: complaining, criticizing, and condemning. You want to stay away from them.
Yeah, focus on yourself for real.
Yeah, we haven't pulled out Squiggly in a minute.
Yeah, bro, what do we say?
Yo, right?
The pit peeper.
The pit peeper.
It's been a minute since I've seen it.
It's been a while. All right, Rob trades later, dude. Later, dude.
Later, dude.
Peace. I love all of you. For real.
Yo. Yeah. Yeah, I used to do that too, trying to watch Don and Raja. Man, oh my goodness. I was more confused than I was on my own, man. I'm like, damn. And then when one's taking a buy and one's taking a sell, oh boy. Everyone in Zoom's laughing.
Like, so do we still sell at resistance? Yellow confused, you know?
Oh man. I'm getting ready to take a buy. You're like, oh baby, this looks amazing. This looks good. Other streamers like, yeah, sells are looking really hot right here. Really, you're like, and you got no backbone there, you know? You're just confused.
And you're like, buys and sells.
What do you do when you're confused? Nothing. Yeah, price move might move back up here too. So we'll see what happens in 3 minutes on this support. I will BRB.
Yeah, I'll make sure we're counting our blessings today. Grateful.
Yeah, dude, some of y'all confuse me and John's voice. That's so funny.
Yo, they do, for real. Is it that similar? Like,
Must be, bro.
yes.
It's when that New York.
Definitely probably for like people. Yeah.
The New York crossover with the
Well,
Pittsburghese.
Yeah, dude, fact. And for people like out of the country, you know, like, it's probably sounds mad similar.
PDF about the news really helped me. Yo, W, Dominic. Thank you. Yeah. W. Anybody else that's been using that, let me know. Is my background real? What you think, player?
Of course.
Of course.
Amen to that, Johnny. Yeah, facts. We gotta stay present in the moment, right? We can't be so focused on the future or dwelling so much on the past, and stay focused on the present moment. And let's be grateful for all the blessings God gave us. You gotta count them, right? Gotta count them.
Be grateful.
Yeah.
mindfulness is the key to killing anxiety.
Yo. That's what I like to think about too whenever I catch myself down, because I am human, right? I'll get down, and when I get down, I like to think about all the blessings I have.
Yeah. Got to.
Yes, sir. Picks me right back up. Yeah, man, Sam, we got that mansion.
Yeah, we do have yellow folder news
Yeah,
coming
we
in,
gotta
right?
keep you. I think it was a 10.
Oh,
Yeah,
was it a
10.
10? Okay, cool.
Oh, we have natural gas.
Wait.
Oh, okay. This is
Yeah,
done.
I'm just seeing that too.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. We're working on a support here, so we'll see what goes down.
Sergio, we'll see, bro. Well, maybe we'll play a game this weekend. I might be busy tomorrow.
Time for poker.
Do a little poker.
4 seconds here. Sheesh, gang. We freaking might range. Wow, that's an 18-pip move up there.
Yeah, bro. That's the thing. I didn't know how I felt about the 31 wick rejection areas levels.
Let's see. 1 hour is moving bullish here. 30-minute did close bullish. 15 closed bullish as well. Yeah, we do have a 30-minute support here. To the left, we have this major area right here. So this is what I'm looking at here, and my only concerns, right? Because we may reject at this level, just like we've done time and time again to the past here. So yeah, I don't like the range, man. This may be a no trade day for me.
I don't like it
It's
either.
not that good. You have clean traffic here, yes, but you may run into problems right here. Notice how this area is an area where price can't budge, right? It really has to close above in order to move up. So I don't think it's worth it here, gang.
Yeah, in the 1 hour, you don't even have a support yet either.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no
1
support
hour.
on the 1 hour yet either.
And 4 hour bearish.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for me.
Me too.
Nothing here. Nothing here. What was this? 9:30. I mean, 9:30 was a nice play here, but that 15 close really out of whack. Support right there. So yeah, it was really nothing here for me. I think that's gonna do it. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, nothing
Yes,
there.
sir.
Nothing.
Yeah. Nothing. We come back tomorrow. Looking for the best trade.
We'll come back tomorrow. I might, depending on how things unfold here over the next like hour or so, then maybe I could do something. But as of right now, we're if you look at it this way, you can tell we're in a nasty range here. Right? You got support, you got resistance, and now we fall in this nasty range. So it's really not worth it. Yeah, let's come back. Let's get fresh new price action, and I think that'll be our best bet. Probably tomorrow. Maybe during Asian or London, but I think that's it here for the New York session until maybe a little bit later. So that will do it, gang. Good job today, everyone. If you took buys or sells and you followed your plan, way to go. It's another day for you to do that and be good and following the plan. I followed my plan here today. Didn't really have much in terms of entries or anything. So we pack it up and come back tomorrow.
Sounds good, brother.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Sounds
boys.
Thanks for having
All right, Nick and Sam, have a good day.
Thanks for having me.
me. Yeah. Nah, thanks for having me, bro.
All right, cool, man. So yeah,
Alright,
I'll
stay
see you
blessed.
later, boys.
Yep, take
Alright.
it easy, boys.
Peace,
Take it
bud.
easy, chat.
Love ya. Peace.
Peace. Chat. Yo, y'all be great today. this is just one part of the day. There's plenty of other things to do with your life here today, so don't get too consumed in this. I think better price action will come after NFP tomorrow, and we will continue our journey here, okay? So love you guys. Enjoy your day. Big blessings to you, and we'll see you tomorrow. Deuces.